stupid. Very, 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 very stupid for. Stupid for. Embarrassing me before my friends. No, come. Why are you running? No, why are you running?
Have you lost it?
Yes, I'm mad though.
You're a very useless man.
I'm useless at this
So you had to buy me drink.
Oh yes.
My expensive drink.
Rubbish. Come close. I've lost it. No. Today I've lost it. I'm not losing any house.
We will die.
Get on here. No, be running around. Come back. Come back.
I am not scared of you.
You think you have madness?
I am not scared of you.
Okay.
Every man.
All right.
Useless man.
No problem. Useless man that has been taking care of your father's company.
You will
Taking care of your father's company.
Can your mother afford
Striking deals.
Can your mother?
My goodness. God, what type of marriage did I put myself into? What type of big man's daughter is this? She messes up the whole house and... Hi. Nora, what's the meaning of what you always do? Eh? Why will you use the toilet without flushing? Are you out of your mind? Are you okay at all? Eh? Get it on. What is it? I'm talking to you. Why will you use the toilet without flushing? Look at the stench.
Why are you yelling like a mad dog? What is it? No, what has Nora done again this early morning? What have I done? That I did not flush the toilet? Is that why you had to wake me up?
Are you for real? Are you for... Is that how you behave in your parents' house? You go to toilet or you urinate in the toilet and ask the maids to flush it. Is it appropriate?
You know, when someone keeps hearing the way you talk about this flushing of toilet, urinate. The best time man like I say everything nobody. I don't even understand it. Is it not the same place that you make use of? The same thing that I used to urinate? If I did not flush it, you flush it. That's why we're husband and wife. We are one, right?
You're just out of your mind. You're just out of your mind, Nora. Next time when you use the toilet, you flush it.
Really?
Yes.
And next time when you use down here, you should also wipe it. Let me go to bed and sleep in peace.
Nora, give me my car key.
I don't understand.
I don't need all this drama now. I don't want to lose it.
Lose what?
Give me my car key.
No, lose what? You must really think you're talking to your kid sister, right? And that's why you had to poo in the toilet and let me to flush it for you. Are you sick and tired?
Are you kidding me?
No, you must be the kid.
Who pooed in that toilet?
You were the one who pooed in the toilet. And why did you not flush it? Do I look like some slave to you? I don't understand. Even if I had to poo, you're my husband. You flush it for me. We are one, right? Ha! And please, if you want a car to go out with, go tell your tacky wacky parents to get you a car. Because you see that car? It came from my own family, my parents. And stop making noise. Rubbish. Oh, please get out! Rubbish. Full. Bombastic element. I pull you flush. What's there?
Wait on, sir. Sir, your car is ready. I have washed it and cleaned it. Very neat. It's good to go.
Thank you, I'm not using it again.
Sir. Sir, the car is ready, neat.
Yeah, hello. Where are you at? Okay, please come to the house and pick me up. How many minutes? Please be fast, eh? Please.
Seriously? Desmond is beginning to get on my nerves. When he has refused to obey a simple instruction, the doctor said stay away from alcohol. He knows how much we need a baby in this house. Yet all he does is go out there, drink himself to stupor with his stupid friends, and expect me to be happy about it. No, I don't like it one bit. I don't. I don't like it. He has to change. You better talk to him, seriously. I have even told him to bring a nanny, but he has refused, thinking that he is punishing me. But guess what? He is punishing himself, not me. Because at the end of the day, he will have no other option than to get that house up. I'm sick and tired and I'm about to lose it.
Desmond, I am married to Jane. You need to see how Jane is taking very good care of my home. Apart from having kids, which comes from the Lord, every husband should be treated like Lord. Just imagine what Nora did before our very eyes. Just imagine.
He's being treated like a lord in his home. But me, I'm being treated like a lizard. Hello, man, I can beat you. Hey.
This thing is just like a movie to me. Wait, Desmond, do you mean this is what you have been passing through in your home? Desmond, that means she's the Lord over you. Come on, Desmond, this is not the Desmond we know back in the days in school. You know what, Casey? Let me advise you as a brother and as a friend. All you deserve is respect and happiness. See, bro, all I think you should do now is to make a plan. Maybe travel out and have your peace, or you file for divorce.
Bro, filing for a divorce in this country is a hell of a thing to do. Get them when my put from it. Eh? Yeah, well, they will hold me in court for God knows how long. That Nora has failed in all aspects. That girl cannot even boil yam. Mediocre marriage. She will go to toilet and could. Hey!
What do you expect, Desmond? Now, big man picking now, a millionaire's daughter. They don't always know how to do anything. You all know Benson. That guy cannot even wash his own bossers. His own bossers. Listen, Desmond, you signed for this. This is your cross. You carry it. You know, let me flash back those days in school. Desmond, then you were a lord. I mean, you are a lion. How can you allow a woman to turn you into a vegetable? Oh, go! Imagine. Hey! I told you about Amarachi when she was crying. I was like late TB Joshua, who saw everything. You were there saying, Nora this, Nora that. See, Desmond, all you deserve is happiness. You need peace in your home. You're supposed to be a man in your house. And if Nora is not giving you that, Yabawado. Let her father's word go to hell. You don't need it.
It will go to hell, oh. Jacob. That's what we noticed when you came in. We saw you coming down from a cab. Upon the whole cars parked in your compound this month, you came with a cab. Just imagine. We know what happened. And we know that she has called the house and the cars her father's properties. That is why you came with a cab. Desmond, the only solution to this, and it's not possible anymore, was Amarachi. But Amarachi is married and not even in this country anymore. Amara. Hi, my Amara. You see, I don't even know if I'm being punished. But I had nothing then. I couldn't have married Amara now. Hey.
Hey, you, come. How did he go out?
Madam, he called the cabman and waited at the gate until the cabman came and he left. Sorry.
And he left. And he left. No, look at me one more time. And he left. And you left him.
Sorry, madam. What is happening?
Another slap for you.
Hey,
you are asking me a very stupid question. What is your business with your husband and wife affair? What is your business? Fool. Look at you. Because you're wearing brown and red. Like some upcoming road safety federal commissioner officer. Look at you. Looking broke for that matter. I better can change that tacky walkie shoe and don't stand with this bullshit at my gate. Animal. Okay, guys, shut my gate. Don't you? You opened the gate for him to go out.
What kind of a woman is that? What kind of a wife do I have? Nora will sit down from morning till night watching television. Watching, what is it, I don't care the program. She wastes her time. She lavishes her time watching. What's all that? Oh, you can still change her. This one. Doesn't she know she is a wife or what? Who? Someone that sees herself like a goddess. She portrays herself as a goddess. Someone who can't even listen to advice. She cannot hear him from you. Nora, do not do. Everything will just change automatically. The only daughter. What about the mother? The worst mother-in-law on earth. That woman will intimidate me at any slightest provocation with wealth. She will always remind me, you're nobody, you're this, you're that. We picked you up and all of that. I am tired. Who wants more detail? Am I the only one that got married to a rich kid? See, from my experience, I will advise. Nobody, if you know, say your family no rich, if you know your family are not capable enough to go to some certain level of marriage, please do not. Stay away from rich kids. Anyway, stay away from some rich kids that are not well trained. I'm suffering. Just take it easy. That is all I have to say. I feel your pain after all.
Yes, I'm so sorry, my girl. I've been up and doing. So tell me, were you able to follow up with the episode? Oh, you did. Wonderful. Give me the full gist. I am all ears. Yes, I'm listening. So what happened? What? No way, girl. Don't even tell me that. No, you're joking, right? So what was her reaction when she caught both of them? Oh no. Yeah, but she ought to understand that he is there for an undercover mission. Come on. Babe, please let me call you back. Yes, I'll call you back. Yes, what is it? Is that why you're calling me? You do not want to make me believe that I pay $1 like you, do you? Then you should be able to handle it without calling me. Good. That reminds me. Tell the human resource manager that I need to see him first thing tomorrow morning. Bye. You can just do anything without calling me.
Hey, Henry, welcome, Derek. Yeah.
You again. Mr. Henry, how many times have I told you to end this friendship that you have with Desmond? How many times have I told you that? And you, how many times have I told you to end this relationship with this miscreant?
Nora, can you just respect yourself? Just respect yourself, all right? Please.
I should respect
Oh,
myself.
yes.
Are you listening to yourself?
Are you crazy?
Am I crazy in my
Nora,
father's house?
look at this one.
In my father's house?
Look
am I
at this
crazy?
one I married out of pity. Was anyone talking to you in school? No, was anyone coming so close? All because of your ego. Oh, yes. And I managed to marry you, yet you can't give me peace in this house.
Yes,
are you right?
You walked up to me. Yes, you walked up to me. Didn't you come to me? I picked you up. The clothes that you wear, I give it to you. The food that you eat, I...
Must you always bring this up?
Yes, because you are living in my father's house and you have no right to talk when I am
yourself
talking.
some
And this is
slack.
all your fault. Get the hell out of my house right now. Get the hell out of my house. Leave.
I will sound you. Stop. I will sound you, Nora. Touch her. That's what. Why violating my friend? Are you okay? Even if you don't respect me, respect my friend.
You want to slap me? Mr. Man, leave this house.
Zora.
Leave this house!
Ndoka. There are things you don't do. Yes. This one here is your husband and must be respected as a man. Listen, even if your father is the late applicant of Umunze, that one here must still be respected as a man.
You do not tell me how to handle a dog that I keep in my house as a husband. Now when you're done yelling like a bottle like who has been hungry for the last 10 decades, take yourself out of my house right now. Get out of my house!
This way. You must behave. Okay. I'll leave. Harry, please,
Get out! Look at him! How can you be dealing with someone that's supposed to be chilling in the usher
that if I act like a dog, you know what dog does, right? I will bite you so hard.
Please go ahead and
But I'll have to respect myself.
bite me! Bite me! Why are you going to? Look at you! Make sure you do not come back to this house! You deal with he-goat and now you smell like he-goat. What? Bringing miscreants to my house. Can you imagine?
Desmond, I am seeing your grave. I am seeing you in mortuary if you don't dig deeply and think wisely.
Henry, Nora is tough. Yes. I can't go through Nora. It's not possible. Yes, many men have gone into their grave through this kind of marriage. But not me, Desmond. Never. And I do not want to go into regrets of getting married to this nagging woman. Many people warned me.
I am Lucas.
My mother warned me severally.
Oh,
I'll find a way.
Desmond, one more very important thing. I have seen the kind of wife you married. I saw everything that happened inside. I want to beg you as a friend, no matter what Nora does, do not raise your hand on Nora before they will label you as a murderer. Please, I beg you. I think I have to go now. Do not raise your hand on me. Nora, you have literally done your worst by insulting me before my friend Henry. Sending him out from this house. You go around talking to people, telling who cares to listen that I stay in your father's house.
What you do?
You've done it.
You do, don't you? If you are bitter with the fact that this house it came from my father's lineage, my family, then you take your tacky-wacky ass out there and go get yourself to where you belong, which is the bush. Why are you complaining?
I don't have anything to tell you.
Oh, really?
I do not have anything to tell you because you're a mannerless woman.
Oh, I see.
And I can't continue.
You should be. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you. You should be happy that a billionaire's child like me. You should be grateful that I even got married to you. You should be every day on your knees, every morning telling God I am blessed. But no, you will not. Always frustrating my life.
Billionaire's daughter, you said?
Of course, that's what I said.
Dirty billionaire daughter. Yes, that's what you are. You better sit up. You better sit up so that when my kids starts coming, you know what to teach them, not to spoil them.
Kids coming from where exactly? From that watery sperm of yours? No, do you even know the full meaning of spermatoza, do you? I need to understand. With which erection? This one that I have to sing Hallelujah Hosanna every night? This Dikeh that does not ever stand up? How are you going to parent a child? How is it possible for you to have a child? Instead of you to be busy, listening to the doctor's instructions, you went out there, drinking your life out with those useless urchins, those things that are supposed to be chilling in the ocean with the octopus. And you expect a child from me? Really? You're sick in the head.
Sit up. Sit up! Your attitude and character is horrible.
Now get out, useless man. Tacky, wacky husband. Fool. Let me see that rotten hippopotamus again in my house. That big for nothing buffalo in my house next time that calls himself Henry and go. Oh, Jesus wept. I will bet you, set you ablaze with carbon dioxide 40. Try me. Fool. Canker one. Looking like a hungry gorilla lost in the zoo.
This girl will not kill me. Biano! Nora. From that point, can you view this room? No. From there, view it. View this room. Does it look like where a mature being sleeps? No, I ask you. Just look at it. Are you okay?
I should be asking, are you okay?
I am very, very okay. I'm asking you. Look at how you littered our room.
What is wrong with how the room is now? Like, what is wrong with the room? What is wrong with what is littered on the bed? My properties, yes? My
Asking
panties.
me what is wrong with all these things.
Is it easy to have a Victoria's Secret pants? I have the right to show it off to show it off. What is
To
wrong with
who
that?
exactly? Showing it off to who exactly? I ask you. Who?
Okay, now the part is a problem. The same part that you use your mouth to remove when you want to say it again. Is that a problem for you? No, what is wrong with my panties being on top of the bed? If you have a problem with this, why don't you pack it up for me as my husband?
You shut up your mouth and clear the things. My friend, arrange this room fast. I'm gonna be one day.
It is your generation, your lineage, your ancestors, everything that has to do with your surname. That is your one. Are you mad?
Listen.
How can you talk to me like that? Because I'm trying to manage a poverty-stricken man like you.
You're very stupid.
You're a stupid
If
man.
not for domestic violence, I would have. You just turned to red.
Listen, I want to make an important call and do not make noise.
You're going nowhere. Arrange this room fast. I said so. I'm talking, you're talking. Are you okay?
I am not going to arrange this room.
You're not with him.
Listen, heaven help you. If you lay those filthy hands of yours on top of me, I swear, you will regret it. Mind you, we now have a new family lawyer ready to prosecute and charge. If you touch me, you are jailed. Try it.
Let them show me charge for forcing you to clean up this room. Tidy up this room.
Don't touch me again.
Come on, step out, let me see.
Don't you dare touch me again.
Step out, let me
Don't touch
see.
me again. Why you used to remove all my
Step
clothes
out,
from
let
my
me
pants
see.
and fling it on the air? And you fling it up all the way to Jupiter. Now is a plan for you to pack up the pants for me. It is a problem, right?
No, at the point we're flinging all of that is our conjugal section.
Oh, Jesus, what? Oh, now it's about conjugal section because it has to do with sex, right? Your gender disappoints me, I swear to God. When you're done blabbing, when you're done barking like a dog, pack up all my panties and put all my parts where they're supposed to be. Bullshit.
Do not walk out on me.
I will walk out to you, and if you touch me, I will sentence you to jail. Bullshit.
Hey. Nora, it is time to stop. Nora, you must go and tidy up that room now. Must. Now stand and go and do the needful. Fast. Fast.
Hey, I'm going to bread, half laugh. Not understand. Who are you reposting for? I don't understand.
I am not.
Who is joking in the
I am not
face?
going and tidy up that room.
I am not going anywhere. What is this? Do I look like some slave to you? No, is that what I am to you? I will not do that. I am a career woman, not some housewife, not some housemaid. I'm not one of them.
Nora, don't provoke me.
Oh, please.
Go and do what you have to do. You must obey my orders. I am the man of this house.
What makes you a man? That dead thing dangling in between your thighs. Those things that are no longer effective. Those balls that children can even play with on the playground. Is that what you call? Is that what makes you a
Nora! How dare you insult me, Nora? You insult my manhood at any slightest provocation. The same manhood that kept you screaming on top of your voice back then in school.
Eh?
The same manhood that goes into you and right as far as 41 hours, leaving your laps vibrating. That is what you're insulting. Are you out of your senses or
You are the one
what?
that is mad. Anybody that gets...
Wait on, sir. Madam, the delivery man is at the gate.
Leave this place. Get out! I'm back to you. Anyone that gets your voice out there will think that you are actually working with your own power. What happens to Viagra? What happens to everything that I was doing? When I was busy writing all the right that the children were supposed to write on you, I've read, how will the children come when I've done all that?
I do not take anything, Nora.
Oh, really?
Yes, I have natural strength, and you know that.
Really?
Yes.
Where is the strength now?
My problem is you. My problem is you, which has manufactured my worst nightmare of staying so low, physically, psychologically, and emotionally. And that's so horrible. Be very, very careful with me.
Oh, because that's why you
very,
slapped
very
me.
careful.
Oh, that's why you slapped me.
Nora,
you will
Zalo
rot in
with all
jail.
those insults.
You will rot in jail.
Zalo
today.
with all those insults.
You will rot in jail.
Nonsense.
You slapped me. You will rot in jail, I swear. Mommy, Desmond slapped me. Yes, Mom, I don't know. We're just having normal argument and the next thing he slapped me. Mom, as I'm talking to you right now, I'm having one of my tooth. I'm telling you, my tongue is about to fall out from my mouth. Can you hear me? Yeah! Mom, you have to hurry up, please. Please hurry up, Mom. Yes, Mom.
Hi. I know, say, me with madam, we never stand like this quarrel. Exchange words. Left alone to fight, exchange blow. Why she go come slap me like this? I know, say, Kuroko, I don't do anything. Okay, I know say na madam with am. Na she and Oga dey quarrel. If she and Oga dey quarrel, na him make she go come carry am put for my head. Englishman call it what is it? Transfer of aggression or aggravating. Now she carry am come put for my head, revenge am on my head. Hi. A homie John, the great guy. Well, no problem. I will see to this. Hi. No problem.
Are you serious, Henry? You mean Nora pushed you out of the house?
Lucas, I saw the demon in Desmond as it arose. I held him immediately. You know I know Desmond very much. If not for the fact that I held Desmond, Nora should have been in the hospital by now. We all know who Desmond was during our service days in school. But Nora wants to pocket him. Nora wants to do all sorts of things to Desmond, not even respecting him. She wants to pocket him because of her father's sweat. Just imagine.
The way of a man's heart. We were strongly opposing that marriage. And I think this is the main reason she hated us.
Yes.
And guess what, bro? All we have been opposing has manifested
Before our very eyes.
Yes. And Desmond is seeing all of them.
Lucas, I was there. Lucas, I saw everything happening in that house, what Desmond was going through in that house. You need to see how Nora was blushing all over in the house. This house belongs to my father. Shut up! Don't touch this. The house belongs to my father. That car was gifted to you on our wedding day. You need to see all of this. That happened before my very eyes. Your father is a poor, rich-haired man. He's nobody. Your father has no name in this community, in this country. I was there. I was God.
She said all that.
Lucas, I said I was there.
Well, I know Desmond is a strong man.
We need to save Desmond, Lucas. He is not just a friend. Desmond is more of a brother to us than a friend. Before it's too late, Lucas.
This is strong. Well, trust me, bro. Desmond is a strong man. He will leave that marriage.
You should better than
I'm very sure of
you
that.
should do that
He will.
before it's late. But we still have to hurry. Let's go. Please.
Mom. What is going on there? Why Mommy, Desmond slapped me.
Desmond slapped you? Desmond has the guts to slap you. Where is it?
He's upstairs.
Desmond! Where are you? Desmond, get down here before I meet you up there. Are you mad? This is for slapping my precious daughter. How dare you raise your 50 consents on my daughter? Are you mad?
Is that how you judge? Did you ask your daughter what she did? Did you?
Of course she told me everything. She told me how you slapped her simply because she refused to clean the room. Let me ask you, is my daughter a housemaid? Why must you force her to do the things she's not supposed to do?
Mama, I told him that I'm not used to this suffering life at all. I don't even know how to wash an ordinary spoon since you gave birth to me. He was insisting that I must do the house chores. Let us get a housemaid. He said no. The next thing he just slapped me. Everything is off.
She did not only refuse to clean the room. She insulted me. She insulted my manhood. Mama, this didn't sit too well with me, but I will let it slide for this rain. Obviously, you're supporting your daughter.
Of course I am supporting her, 100%. Do you know why? Because she is my precious daughter. It is your stupid mother that you are walking out on. Stupid boy. Look at him. No, sit down.
Sorry.
Look at your good mama. All you need.
Henry, would you believe my mother-in-law just slapped me? I'm dead serious. Okay, I'll be right there.
Desmond, I heard you did not go to the office yesterday. I also heard that you've been drinking your life out. If you are not serious about that office, let me know so that I can replace immediately.
Replace me, man.
Yes, you heard me right. Replace me. All I've gotten in return for my kindness and good deeds in this house is my father's house this, my father's cars that, my father's establishment and all what and not. As if I am not doing my own part of the job
diligently keeping up my office tight. Everyday insults. Listen, ma. I can only take that slap with good faith on one condition. No more insults. I will not take that again. Because
You are working out on me again. You are a very stupid boy. You've not seen nothing yet. Get a housemaid to do the job for you. You refuse. Nonsense boy. Look at him. Look at this one.
Not to come and start suffering.
Look at him. Now. No.
Yes. Maybe this is what I straight enough. I'm sure Stella, you're going to have to do that. Come on, let's do it. Best man.
Desmond, you mean to tell me that her mother supported her?
she did. And she also gave me 2 dirty slaps.
This is serious.
2 dirty slaps. I experienced it. I saw it.
Desmond, wait. What did you do when she slapped you?
Nothing. Obviously nothing. I shouldn't have slapped her back. She's still my mother-in-law.
Wait,
I did nothing.
Well, Desmond, you mean to tell me you did not do anything when she slapped you? Well, Desmond, you did the right thing. But Nora's mother should know that she's not only destroying her daughter, but destroying her daughter's home. Yes, imagine slapping her daughter's husband. Eh? But Desmond, this whole thing, this whole drama, this whole thing happening to you now still remains your fault. Yes.
How? How is it my fault, Henry?
Desmond, if you hadn't left Amarachi, all this whole blood dish and that complaint wouldn't have been happening to you, Desmond. I and Lucas was there. We saw everything. We talked to you. Amarachi gave her best as a woman. She loved you wholeheartedly. We saw it. We were your friends. We talked to you. We advised you. But what did you do? How did you pay Amarachi back? You left Amarachi for Nora. Because Nora's father is wealthy. Nora is from a wealthy home. Her father is rich.
Henry.
Look at the repercussion.
Henry, please, can we not talk about Amarachi? Biko, can we just, listen, Amarachi is my ex. She's married now. Henry, please, can we leave Amarachi's matter and find a way to sort my problem?
Yes, Amarachi lives in the States, yes. But I put it to you, Desmond, leaving Amarachi still remains your fault.
Henry, why are you making it look as if she's a saint? Huh? I didn't just leave her for no reason. I had my reasons. Okay? Please. Please.
Desmond, I never said Amarachi was a saint. Yes. All Amarachi did was to love you. I saw it. Amarachi did her best, but you were running after a millionaire's daughter.
Henry,
you wanted wealth.
Henry, you're getting it all wrong. I left Amarachi because we're not compatible. But please, can we just leave this? If you don't want me to remain on this table, let me just leave. Because
are you being serious?
Let's talk about how to alleviate my problem. Please.
Desmond, my friend. Listen, I still put it to you, Desmond. You wanted easy landing. You wanted soft life. You wanted to run after a millionaire's daughter. Look at it. But good and fine, Desmond, I agree. We will put a stop to every discussion we have been discussing about you and your household, your family, your wife, and your mother-in-law. Good and fine. Please, this should be the very last time, Desmond, you will call me on phone complaining about Nora, your wife, or your mother-in-law. Desmond, I wouldn't want to give you any listening ears. I swear to God. Look at Amarachi, who gave her life, loved you naturally for whom you are. But what did you do? You wanted wealth, yes. You wanted easy landing. Are you walking out on me, Desmond? Desmond! Look at who has a big problem, a family problem. I am even trying to help you out. You're walking out on me. Face it yourself. Just face it yourself. You wanted a millionaire's daughter. This is the repercussion for any man who wants easy landing. Desmond, I pity you. I pity you.
Hey, sir, come. Take this. Take this. Make sure you wash them properly. And this properly on the down part. I'm not making myself clear. The exact part that goes into the vagina, make sure you wash it very well. And when you're done washing it, you spray it at the backyard. Understood?
What? You said?
Jesus. What exactly did I just say then that you don't understand? The fact that you should wash these clothes and spread them at the backyard, especially the panties. What is there for you not to understand?
But...
Let me get out of my sight! Get out of this place! Always stressing me out. Fool. Make sure you wash those panties very well.
Which kind thing be this? Why madam go pack her clothes, give me make I wash? John, which kind thing be this one? Can't they even tell me make I wash am with my hand? No be even say we don't get washing machine for house. We get washing machine for house. She can't dey tell me say make I no use washing machine washer. John, you don't suffer. You don't suffer for this house. Wait, bring this leg now. I don't understand. Something wey I never do for my girlfriend for village before. Well, look at, she cannot even wash her pint. Come on, pint. Hi. It's smelling nice anyway. John, don't suffer. Don't suffer.
My friend, come here. Why did it take you so much time to open the gate for me?
I'm sorry, sir. Madam gave me her clothes to wash for her.
And you couldn't wash it behind your security house?
It's Madam's clothes. She gave me her clothes to wash, so...
Wait. She gave you her clothes to wash, and you collected them? I don't understand. How?
Sir, you know how Madam behaves. So I cannot... I don't have any option. I cannot reject it, you know.
Why would you give the gate man your clothes to wash? Don't you have hands?
I don't understand.
Why did you give him your clothes to wash?
Is that why you came into this place writing like a mad person? Are you okay? No, are you alright? What is wrong with me giving him my clothes to wash? No, tell me. Even if you ask the gate man now, in his whole lineage and generation, ever since he was born, during the days of his great-grandfathers and grandmothers, were they able to wear such panties that I gave him to wash?
Just listen.
No, was the great-grandmother privileged to wear a Victoria's Secret pant? Do you know what it means? Do you know how much is white? He should be grateful to me.
Nora, you can't wash your undies. You can't wash your panties by yourself.
So why do I pay him? Why do I pay him? Why? I mean, what is your problem?
Since when did you start paying the gate man?
Well, that is because the money which you think you used to pay him is for my family's establishment. You are wallowing in my family's money. So watch your mouth.
So the poor boy should suffer for your lack of home training. Is it what you're trying to say?
That's your damn business.
Are you out of your mind? No. Can you listen to yourself? No.
You know, I don't even know why I'm doing this with you. If you think I'm going to see, I was actually chilling. I was chilling with my demons. I don't need stress. Listen, if you make one more noise, one more peep from your mouth, I swear, you see that get mad? He will come and wax me. He will not just wash the clothes and the panties. He will wax here, and wax everywhere. Don't try me. Don't you dare try me.
I will stop him from washing.
You see, that's one. You will not try it. That's one. You will not try it. Try it and I will fling you back to the streets where you belong. You think you will frustrate me the way your father frustrated your late mother? You will not do that to me. That's why she died in a Dutch house, in a hut. Because I kept you in a very beautiful house like this. You think you have to go to talk to me? Try it. Useless set of people. Urchins. Barbaric poodle. John! 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 I want to believe that you're the one that told my husband that I asked you to wash my clothes. Did you or did you not?
Madam, he actually came with a cab and I know quickly heard the horn.
Okay.
So he now asked me why I had a waste time to come open gates. Then I explained everything, give her.
And you had to tell him. So you had to tell him that I asked you to wash my clothes. Are you sick? Even if you look sick, are you nuts? And have you lost it? Tell me why I feed you in this house. No, why do I feed you? Why do I pay you? Just to open a damn gate. Are you crazy? Listen, if you make yourself a problem for me in this house, I swear to God, I will solve you. If you give me trouble in this house, I will solve you like a further mathematics, and trust me, you will not survive it. Take your tacky self out of my sight this minute. Looking like a hungry, decomposed, retired federal road safety officer. Buffalo. Hippopotamus. No, a hungry one like that because you look sick. Very rubbish sense of people. They will give you a simple instruction and here you are asking me dumb questions. Rubbish.
Nora, why is there no food in this house? Haven't I warned you that you must start cooking in this house?
Woman, if I'm talking to you, you do not press your phone. You look at me. Answer me or I'll smash that phone.
Smash a phone that your father cannot even be able to afford, even in his grave. You must be mad. No, how many times have I told you that I'm not your maid? How many times? You married me as your wife. If you are hungry, get your tacky ass into that kitchen and make something for yourself to eat. Or better still, you order online, they will come and deliver to you. Do not stress me out.
Oh my goodness, honestly, it marvels me. It marvels me that you do not want to change, Nora. Mentioning of online. I mean, domestically impaired ladies like you, they go to Google, they go to YouTube, they search for food recipe. At least learn how to make food for themselves, because what you have is what you give. Fast food, walking into fast food day and night. Are you not ashamed?
Oh, so that means you know about online. In other words, you should have known or seen men that can cook for their wives. Haven't you heard about Chef Million? Haven't you heard about so many chefs all over the world? What about Chef Erotica? No, tell me. What about Chef Zinox? Google them too. You see the way they cook Spanish, Italian food.
No, I'm very, very good with my cooking skills, but I'll never cook again in this house.
For you too. I will never cook for you too. If you're hungry, go fix your damn intestines. Don't bring your petty rice rubbish to me. Don't try it. Listen, I was fasting. I was actually trying to have a bullshit with my God. But I can see that the devil is actually trying to use you and the tacky lanky gate man to spoil my prayers for me. So please, don't disturb me.
Better go get yourself a good caterer so you learn how to cook. I'm so ashamed of you. Every day next thing you know now, I will not cook again. I will not cook.
What kind of nonsense? What's rubbish? You want to reduce me to your slave? Why would you even ask me to cook for you in the first place? Arrant nonsense.
Listen, you must do what I ask you to do.
And I will tell you that I'm not going to.
I am your husband. You must. And I'm even you must do it. I'm talking to you.
If you want to eat, if you want to be eaten at this house, you go and get a meat, not me.
Nora, you must go into that kitchen and make my meal.
Okay.
You can see her today. You must do
Mommy,
it.
I will not do it. I won't. What is this? Am I some slave?
Look at this girl. Look at you. Oh, you want to kill me the way your mother killed your late father. It will not happen because I got my eyes on you. I'm making it clearly. You cannot.
Hey, Desmond. Now what is bringing my late father into this matter? What is bringing him into this matter? Oh, you think I don't know? You think I've not heard about it? How your brother went to go and rape a goat, a she-goat in an uncompleted building, and they caught him and stole him to death. You think I've not heard about it? You left family because I managed to marry a fool like you, a pauper. You're an idiot. A born by mistake, that's what you are.
Your problem is that you can fabricate stories. Yes, you can fabricate to put someone, but to pin down somebody.
It will not work for you.
It will not work for you.
It will not work for you.
Not. You must do what I ask you to do.
I will not do it.
You get me?
I will not do it.
You must do it though.
I will not do
you
it.
Must do it.
Mommy,
Okay.
I will not do it. Huh? What do you
Okay.
want to do? To kill me just the way you've been killing other people back then in the school? Or you think I don't know that you are the head of a cult? You think I don't know you're a cultist? Try it. Try me! And I will bring up your past. Place you where you're supposed to be with the help of my family's contacts. Cultist. A cheap one at that.
Nora, you dare not walk on me. Listen, you dare not walk on me.
What is your problem?
Nora, how dare you threaten me all the time with your fires?
Why would I threaten you? What is your problem? If you're hungry, go to the kitchen and get something to eat for goodness sake. Let me be. What is your Bring your lucky self in.
I came to see you.
You've seen me.
Nora, what is happening?
Happening where? I can't remember telling you that something was or is happening in my house.
Don't talk to me like that. It's Desmond, your husband, has been on my neck. He wants me to talk to you. Like, what is going on with you? Why do you keep insulting him? Reminding him of how poor he is and how wealthy your father is. Why do you keep insulting him? This man is your crown. He paid your bride price fully. So you will respect him.
And how did you even know that this so-called bride price you're talking about was actually paid with his money?
He paid.
Oh, please shut your trap. I have told you several times. Do not come to my house acting all good and innocent to Desmond. I will not take that from you. Honey, listen, this man is my husband. And I choose to do whatever I want with him.
You won't do that. Listen, Nora, you're not the only millionaire's daughter.
Billionaire.
Whatever.
Billionaire is a status, honey. Ain't easy.
Remember that my father and your father are co-businessmen.
Yet it wasn't fashionable.
If you were sport while growing up, you're old enough to know what's good and what's bad. I mean, how could you go on and on insulting your husband, reminding him of how poor he is and how wealthy your father is? And again, you call your husband Dikeh. Whenever I get reports like this again, I will have no option than to spill what I know.
You know what? Use the door. I am sick and tired of your rubbish. You see your gibberish? Don't you ever in your life come to my house and tell me how to handle my stuffs. Get out before I lose it.
My information. If you don't change, I will spill. Have a nice day.
Oh, please take your lucky self out of my house. How dare you? You want me to tell the whole world how your mother slept with the useless Rottweiler you have in the house before you got married to your father? Spill it! Can you imagine? Jesus, I need to cool down.
Madam. Madam, you see, I want to thank you very much. On behalf of myself, as a security personnel of this compound, I want to say thank you. Thank you very much. You see, I heard everything, all your advice to my madam. It's only God that will bless you. God bless you.
Amen.
You see, I may be a gate man, ordinary gate man, but I'm not happy with the way she talked to Oga. Sincerely, I'm not.
No one is happy. But the thing here is, I believe she will change. Yeah, she will.
We just hope so. Now what? You see, the way she talks to Oga, me personally, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Now, so way she's the other me around, like say, me, I be small picking. And then they even the reason my own because this small baby I never cover my face. So maybe not because of that. Small thing, never, no respect. Everybody, no respect for elders. You don't respect anybody. As I'm talking to you. Small thing, she don't carry phone. Call the mama. The mama go run come. Just like that. Can't do her own. Hmm? Well,
It's okay.
me, ha. When I will
Mr.
get
John,
money.
John, it's okay.
Wait, I know.
I
When
said
I
it's
will
okay.
get
I
money.
actually wanted to give you something. Do you want to keep talking or you want to get something from me? Have you?
I told you this thing now. I don't need to announce it for people to.
Come with me.
Yeah, now you are talking. Omo, your pictures are made today. You go to follow me.
Whose clothes?
Of course they are mine. And you? Why are you just returning the clothes now? You've had those clothes for days. Why didn't you return them? Besides, haven't you seen a pink and a blue pants before? Do you have to showcase them like this with all the dust inside my vagina?
What do you expect? Is it not what you wanted? No. When you gave it to him to wash in the first place, weren't you expecting he will exhibit it like this? Look at how he sam a common gate man. John was it. Japan to get like this.
Drop it and leave.
Huh?
Drop it and leave.
Yeah, hey, John, I am going to deal with you. I will kick your ass so hard one of these days if you're not careful with me. So you now take orders from this girl other than me, your boss. Eh? Yeah, John, be very, very careful. John, do you have a mother? Do you have a mother?
Yes, sir.
Good. Who cooks and cleans the house? Who cooks and cleans the house from when you were in your house till you left? Who does that?
Eh? No, my mother.
Now who? Now who? Are you nuts? Have you lost it? Leave this place right now! Get out of this place! And
Did you hear him?
why would you tell him not to wash my stuffs?
Did you hear him?
Hear what? Hear what exactly? No, what do you want me to hear exactly?
Can't you wash your clothes yourself?
Why should I do that? Tell me why. Oh, now you want to compare me with that pauper. Did you look at John's shoe? Have you seen John's shoe? That shoe is obviously telling you that the father was a retired principal in 1940 BCs. You want to compare that nitwit with my father? I'm sure her mother uses pieces for her menstrual cycle. You want to compare someone that uses her pieces with someone that uses sanitary pads? Is that what you want to do? I don't blame you. Because I reduced myself so low to marry a fool like you. That's why you have to compare me.
Shut up your
You're
mouth.
an idiot.
What happened to your hands?
Well,
Why can't you wash?
I was not born that way. I cannot wash. I cannot cook. I cannot wash. I cannot even do anything. I can't. Yes, as a matter of fact, since I married you, you have been the one using your tongue to clean down there. Yes, not me. My father gave birth to me as a princess. I don't wash, I don't cook, I don't do any house chores. And it has to continue like that in my husband's house. You don't like it that way? You move your tacky
Listen. You can never make me vomit for you. I cannot.
Vomit for what?
I can. Listen.
Oh, it's
Listen.
no longer strawberry.
Listen.
It's no longer cherry pie. It's
Dad.
no longer pepperoni. What's your gidigam?
Listen.
No, it's no longer going to be a pepperoni pie for you know hot again. Yes, you called me. Sorry, I was in the bedroom.
I need us to see.
See and talk about what exactly.
Are we no more friends? Because I told you the truth?
What stupid truth are you talking about?
Yes, I said it because I want you to be a good wife. We are not getting young. Same advice I gave you in school and you couldn't hear me. Nora, I want us to see.
If you do not mind, miss, I am very, very busy. I have a whole lot to do, please. Thank you. Good riddance to bad rubbish. Yes, come in.
Hey, babe. Hey. I've got new designs for you. Trust me, you will love them.
I'm not interested. I don't think I'll be getting anything from someone like you. You know why? Because you're becoming so annoying.
Nora, annoying because I'm telling you the truth? Annoying because I'm telling you to keep away your father's wealth and all that he left for you to focus on the man you got married to. Really?
Let me just show you.
You will love them.
Maybe you should show Desmond.
What's your problem?
I am not interested. Very simple. I don't want to buy anything from you. And yes, that reminds me. You see that particular secret that you keep threatening me with all the time that you're going to spill? Get ready to spill it. That is if you will be breathing till then. Is that a threat? Please use the door, I'm very busy. Why did you allow her into my office?
Ma, she's your friend. I will always allow her in at your own way.
Oh, shut the trap. Fool. Henceforth, she's no longer my friend. And I do not want to see her in my office again.
Okay, ma. Ma, the manager is here. He wants to see you.
Let him in. And get me the files that has to do with the quotation of the toilets.
Okay, ma.
Uju, no, seriously, with all due respect, you do not want to make me believe that you've become so jobless. Don't tell me you came all the way. I mean, after what happened in the office, you came all the way from that place to this place to continue with your shenanigan. Why would you even think I'm going to change in the first place? Uju, hey, I was born with a golden spoon, not just silver. You cannot comprehend me. You cannot bench me to become a daughter of a nobody. No, I will not. I was never born to do dishes, to do washings, to do all the cook, I cannot do it. It is not in me. So please, can you make Desmond to understand the fact that I am not going to do it?
Nora, maybe we should applaud you. Yes, we all should give you a round of applause. Listen, my husband isn't well-to-do, but my father is. But he can afford any lifestyle he wants to. Same way your father gifted you a house and a car on your wedding day, same way my father gifted me a house and even more cars than yours. But what did I do? I had to go and learn some things. Learned how to cook to keep my house peaceful. But you have refused to go to catering school or even learn how to cook online. What is your problem? Why not do those things and make your husband happy? Let peace and harmony reign in your home.
Firstly, I don't know how your mother was able to marry to your
You
father.
won't do that.
My mother was treated like a queen in her own matrimonial home, and my husband will continue from there. Yes, my husband, if he's hungry, he should go into the kitchen, make something for himself.
No,
as a matter of fact, he should wash my panties.
I won't have you mention my parents.
No,
you have to listen.
Why is it difficult for you to keep peace in your home? This is all your stupid fault.
I have an advice for you. A stitch in time saves your time. The earlier you listen, the better for you. The earlier you listen, the better for you. Mr. Desmond, I'm out.
Uju. Hey.
Onye, who is that? No, who is that? Who is that miscreant that is touching me? I don't understand. What is it? Okay.
Can we have a discussion?
What stupid discussion are we having? No, you think I don't know where you're heading to? You think I don't know what you want right now? Listen, if what you want us to talk about is me making love with you, my dear, forget about it. No, I am not in the mood. Shift, adjust, go. I'm begging you.
Even if it's about making love, I mean, I can put you in the mood.
Put me in the mood with what? When I'm the one that's always stretching my voice, singing, "Kuli anybody care," just for the thing to stand. Why do you think I would like to suffer myself like that again? Even the angels in heaven are tired of me singing this song all the time just to put you in the mood. And I'm sick and tired of it. What is all this? Not like you can perform anything. You have a low sperm count, only you have erection problem. You can't even make use of your tongue. What are we doing?
You took me to your doctor, right?
Yes, I took you to the hospital. And it was medically proven that you cannot pregnant a woman.
He's not God.
Oh, really? He's not God? Now he's not God because he said nothing but the truth.
Listen, there is no truth there yet, okay? You took me to your doctor pronounced whatever I don't know how we come about that, but I will still go to my own hospital to confirm.
Are you by any chance trying to say that my family doctor for years now is a quack doctor? No, how dare you? Can you be able to prove that? If I were you, I would better still be working on my fluid. Go and work on your sperm. And stop making a whole lot of noise. Because you cannot perform. You're not a man. You're a half man.
I think you and your doctor have an explanation to me.
Huh?
Yes.
What? What is the meaning of that? No, what's the meaning of that? No, you will not sleep, oh? Okay, you want to sleep now. You will not sleep. No, what is the meaning of that? What are you trying to say? That I forged the result? When you're not even a man, you cannot pregnant a woman, and here you are blaming me. Eh?
Your doctor claimed I'm impotent.
But
right?
you are! Since we've gotten married in this house, have you been able to pregnant me? I've not even had one miscarriage, not even one. Yes. I approve it to me. Show me that it's the right. If I didn't have a do.
She gives me
Yeah, how are you?
I'm fine. Her name is Neka. Neka, meet my husband, your Oga.
Good afternoon, sir.
Who is she and why is she here?
Like I said, her name is Neka, and she is our new housemaid. So please, make yourself comfortable.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I thought we discussed about this.
What are we discussing? It doesn't stop the fact that we need a housemaid in this house. And she is here to do the services. So, my dear, as I was saying, I will take you around the house so you can be able to get to know.
Can I see you upstairs? No.
Yesterday we fought, today we still at war. What kind of a woman? She gives me no peace, no peace. Yesterday we fought, and today we still at war. What kind of a woman? She gives me no peace, no peace. Cause she's a mugging woman.
When did we agree to get a maid into this house?
I don't understand. And since when did, having a maid in the house become a problem? You're not even the one to pick this woman in the first place, because I know that's what you're thinking about, because you are a poverty-stricken man.
That is not what I'm talking about.
So what exactly are you heading at?
We do not need her services in this house.
Said by whom?
Go and tell her to leave.
Why should I do that?
Because I'm man of the house.
Man of which house? That house was gifted to us by my parents, my family, my lineage.
Whether it was gifted to us by your father, it is my house. I am man of this house. Go and tell her to leave.
You really want her to leave?
Oh, yes.
Well, I'm sorry to boast you, but she is not going. As a matter of fact, if she is to leave this house, you will leave this house as well. So you pick one.
Nora, she's leaving this house and I am going
Neka, right?
Yes, sir.
We do not need your services here. Okay?
Sir, please. I really need this job to take care of my sick mother. Please, sir.
Listen, I'm sorry about your sick mother, okay? But for now, you will leave. Maybe when we resolve having a maid in this house, we'll call you back. Okay?
Please.
We will call you back when we need you. This is 20,000 naira.
Please, I really need
Come
this
on,
job.
take this, okay? I hope it can take you back to where you're coming from.
Yes, sir.
We'll call you when we need you.
Thank you, sir.
Desmond, is it what I'm thinking? No, don't tell me that you sent that girl away. Desmond, that girl's mother is very, very sick. And she needed this job with all her life and you had... How could you be so wicked and callous, for goodness sake?
You can kindly help her. You can kindly help her sick mother without her rendering a service to you. Corporal work of mercy. Excuse me.
Huh? What do you want there? Nora! Nora! No.
Who is that screaming my name like a madman? What is it? What is it? That place stinks. Why are you taking me here?
Oh, it stinks.
Of course
You know, right?
Why is this kitchen littered like this?
Just look at the kitchen. Look at the brushes on the floor anyhow, buckets, mop on the kitchen island. Look at take-out plates everywhere. The kitchen's so dirty, like where animals stay. Why like this? Why can't you keep it clean? Huh? Why do you litter?
And so is that question for? Get into this one. Today. Are you a madman? No, in fact you're a madman, you're mad. Because I brought a house girl into this house to help us with our house chores and services. What did you do? You chased her away. Now you want me to reduce my dignity, my status? To do what? To watch this? Am I your slave? Do you know what it took me to make these nails? This is acrylic with a gel polish. Do you know how much it takes? How many hours it took me to make these nails? Do you? Of course you don't. Because you're not used to technologies, you're not used to updates, and you were giving birth, obviously, in the bush by your hungry mother. I will not do it. I won't.
You will use that acrylic and wash those plates. When you are done washing the plates, I will open this door for you. Use those acrylics. Use it and wash those plates. Rubbish. I have the boost kabash. It will conquer your gandusa. Rubbish.
Life is whatever you see in it. Yeah? On this? Yeah, Granot, come.
On this one, you
have
have
to live before you go in for it. Just give me Granot. How much?
200.
Desmond, life is whatever we say in it. But on this one, you have to live. No, my brother,
Sir, please, how much on do you want?
Please, how much is it?
It's 200.
200. 1,000. Henry, you eat now, eh?
No, I'm fine. I'm just...
Because all this, you have to, that is... And anybody you meet, the person will just be advising you. This one or that. Nobody will ever tell you, come out. Will I stand die there? Nah,
Brother, why are you hissing so much? Nah. What's the problem? You have to calm down.
Desmond,
Just look at what this fine granite seller is even telling you and advising you. You really need to calm down. Calm down and handle things easily.
Henry, can you just imagine? Just a poor granite seller who doesn't even know me from Adams. She just looked at me. She had to look into my heart and see that I'm troubled. She even called me Na. Look at that soft voice. Look at that voice that called me naked. Hey! Just imagine. Huh? When was the last time someone called me Na? The wife I married has never called me Na or used a soft tone on me. Just look at her. It's only my mother that has ever called me Na. Just imagine. Hi!
Calm down, Desmond.
There's a problem.
Even the Bible said it. Only those who are pure in heart will make heaven. She is pure in heart.
Please, so what's going on here? I don't understand. I'm confused.
Young girl, don't be confused, huh? All is well.
See, you should pay me, please let me go. I only saw that his face was not bright and he was hissing so much. That's why I tried to calm him down. Not me. I don't know what you are saying. I'm not some even new.
A stranger noticed my face wasn't bright, and she decided to care. Man, hi. Now you know what? Just carry this granite, go and share it to kids or people who can afford it. Share it to them. Come back, tell me the bill, I'll pay. Just give it to me, I'll pay.
No, brother, you have to give me money first before I go.
My name is Desmond. Egabro problem. You hear? We are here. There is a primary school there. Go and share it to them. All the gate man, all these people, just share it to them and come back. Oh, we are here. We are here. Oh, and my name is Desmond. He's Henry. Oh, we are here. But before then, and just give me your number. So I'll flash you now. Give me your number. Huh? What is your name?
Isioma.
Isioma. Isioma. I've saved it. You're with your phone, right? Isioma. You're blessed. You don't know what you've done to my soul. You pacified my soul with Nna. Just trying to care. It will be well for you.
Are you sure?
No, just go and share it.
Just go on.
Go and share it. No problem. We are not running. Oh, no, I'm not. Just no, we can't possibly. This is my car, and we're just here. Oh, I'm not going to. Just Henry, just imagine. Look at the voice she used to call me Nna. You know how that pacified me?
Desmond, this girl is not bad. And she speaks so well.
Henry, if I tell you I'm not overwhelmed, I'm lying. If you see how her Nna, if you see how it pierced into this burning and bleeding heart, if you see how it calmed it, if you see how I feel right now, you hug me and tell me it is well. If it is that horrible woman I
kept at home. If it is that nagging wife, she will nag from morning till night and nag out the living being out from me. But look at this girl. Huh? Henry, let me tell you. You see, some men cheat. Some men cheat because of the attitude of their wives. Because of their wife's character. I'm telling you for a fact. Some men cheat because of that. So that they will have peace. They will just have that peace outside. Look at me. Eh? My house is burning. I can't sit down a second in that house without headache, migraine, and all what and not. It's all right. It's all right. Well, I will make sure I become friends with this girl. Yes. So that I will see who I will be talking to once that beast travels. And Mom will be again. Let me know if I can have peace.
Yes, man. See, on this one, I am fully in support, 100% support. My only fear is that, these young girls, will she accept your toast?
I understand the fact that girls in her level might be scared of us.
Exactly.
Yeah, because they'll be wondering, why is this big guy coming to you? Before they tell no, but I will find a way and convince her, talk to her with text messages and all of that. At least she will click.
Sir, I've given them and they said I should thank you.
Chokudalo, thank God Almighty. It is well. Isioma, please, can we be friends?
Son, you're married though.
Isioma. So because Desmond here, my friend, is married, he can no longer have a friend. But you already gave him your line.
Giving him my number doesn't mean anything. I mean, anybody can be of help, so that doesn't count.
You're very pure at heart. Just look at the direction she's thinking. Imagine. Isioma, please, I mean no harm. Eh? I mean no harm. I just want to be your friend. Oh, please. I hope you don't mind. But if I may ask, are you not going to school? Why selling granules?
Life happened. I'm an OND holder. But I stopped because of the situation. My father is in the wheelchair. And I have to sell groundnut to help the family.
Say no more. Say no more. No. You said the groundnut is how much?
It's 10,500, sir.
My token of appreciation for your kind words towards me. From my heart. And because of your father on the wheelchair, I will buy some drugs for him. Huh?
Sir, this is too much.
Please.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. God bless you.
It's okay. Get up. Get up. Oh? Do not. Oh?
Thank you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Isioma is okay. I still want you to know that my friend here, Desmond, is a very good man. And as time goes on, there are a lot of things he will tell you. And also things you will get to know about him.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
It's okay, huh? My regards to your parents, huh?
God bless you.
All right. This one. You will see people you will not know their burdens. Just imagine. Just look at how beautiful she is. Meanwhile, other girls out there are just doing different kind of things just to make ends meet. But she did not join them. A lot of them out there walking naked on the street. A lot of them are into hookups. A lot of them are clubbing every night. And as well smoking shisha. But this girl, what did she do? When they hold her hawking granite on the street, just to put food on their table, just to assist her parents.
Henry, truly there is a huge difference between the rich kids, the mediocre and the poor.
Desmond, this is exactly why you went for a big man's daughter. Just because you wanted a soft landing. So you could help your mother who was diagnosed with breast cancer. I know.
Henry, not really, okay? I was actually liking Nora before I found out her family is wealthy. Not be me being to spend money. I was the one paying our bills until my mother was diagnosed of cancer and she started, supporting. Yes.
And your head lost.
Henry, listen, Nora is nothing to write home about, okay? That girl called me impotent, that my sperm cannot impregnate a woman. Afuwagomanya, I have seen Shaga.
Desmond, the only advice I will give you as a friend is, you see this little girl, this is somehow of a girl. I want you to bring this girl close to yourself. Make her your friend. Desmond, get to know more about this girl and her family.
I must.
That is all.
I must.
And the only advice I have for you as a friend.
This girl pacified my soul.
I know.
Say no more.
John! Did your madam tell you where she was going?
The mother came and they packed some bags and drove away. She told me that she want to do small traveling, just cheekily traveling, cheekily one. That this month you are going to pay me for this month.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
See, bro, I support you on this one. Understand? See, Harry briefed me about it and I said, well, life happens.
Lucas, I'm a single man for now. I am single. Honestly, I can't wait to just have that breath of fresh air once again in my life. I'm ready to leave this house. You see that her father's house? I'm ready to leave it all alone to her and have my peace. Yeah.
See, Nora no try at all. She no try. See, bro, you know this girl. This girl is just a spoiled little girl. They just spoiled her. You know her parents has money, so She was just there wasting money, enjoying money. She don't know the other side of this world now. Eh? See, I know this girl's story. I know it. You can call her friend, Uju. Sit her down. She will download you everything you need to know about this girl.
No. There is no need for that. No need, because I can't even see myself in that marriage anymore.
Man, I'm happy.
No picture of me again in that marriage, bro.
Congratulations.
I need to have
Hey,
peace,
no,
man.
this is the best one I know. Man, let's
go win one day.
Seriously.
I can kill myself.
Hello? Hey. And I'm planning to go and sell. You didn't tell me that you were coming now. Alright, ask for Reggae Man's house. That's what they know my father with. Alright.
Stop with that.
He's my friend. How many granules?
25.
Thank you.
You're welcome, my son.
Good day, sir.
Thank you very much.
Papa, meet my friend, the one I told you about, that gave me money for your jobs.
My son, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Ndewo. I'm very grateful. She told me everything when she came back. Thank you.
It's all right, sir.
Yes.
You'll be fine soon. By His grace.
Amen.
You'll be healed.
Amen. My younger brother, Ikedi.
Dikeh, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Today is a school day. Why are you not in school?
He has something to pay for in school. So my mother asked him to join me and sell granite so we can raise some money.
Wait. So this little boy has to hustle to pay for whatever they ask him to pay in school. This country has really dealt with us. So how much is the money that deprive you from joining your friends in school today?
But there is 2,000 naira for textbook because I am in new class.
Imagine.
How much?
2,000 naira.
2,000 naira.
Where's your uniform?
Business science.
Go and put it on.
My children, I remember when I went to Boma War. If you see me, I used to carry magazine with 2 hands, even use my leg to carry another one out that was
Hey. Good morning, sir. So,
Good morning, oh.
Ne, your brother came in and told me that we have visitors. And they said he should not go and sell my groundnut. That he should go to school.
Mama, that was because we were told that he couldn't go to school today because of the money they asked him to pay in school. For me, it's a no. And he said it's 2,000. Come. I think I have some money here. All right, take it on. Go and join your friends. Huh? Make sure you read very well.
Hey.
This is all right.
Thank you, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
Nah, thank you. Thank you. Chukwu gozie gị. Hey, Isioma. Where did you know these people? Ebe ka isi mara ndị a, biko? Mama, this is Desmond and his friend. I told you about them before.
The one you told me that said you should share the granuts and he paid for all of it.
Ha! Isioma, so you have told the whole village about our encounter. Eh? Irenta, you.
Ezigbo ife ka imelu. Daalụ o. Chukwu gozie gị. Hey,
My children, thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome, sir.
Yeah. Ah, this sickness. If not for this sickness, why would my son not go to school? Why? And why would my daughter start hawking a child that has ROND? But life is what it is.
Nah, Biko, eh? Let's not go in that direction. Eh? You'll be fine soon. Eh? By the grace of Almighty God.
Amen.
You will get better. This is just for the moment. Eh? This too shall pass, I believe.
It's all right.
Oh?
Thank
Biko.
you.
I don't even have much here, but I think, okay, I have something here. I think you have to have all of them, eh?
Hey.
Biko, I believe it will go a long way to get you some medications.
Thank you.
No problem.
Oh,
Say no more.
thank you. Daalụ.
Mama?
Chukwu gozie gị ebe ọbụla isi weta mmaji kwuru mmaji.
She said, Mama, I will pay for Ikede's granite for the day, so he can go to school and join his fellow. Then Isioma will have to go and do her daily hawking. Isioma, I'm not paying for yours today. You have to do your business for the day. And I wish you all the best while you're doing that.
God bless you. God bless you. Hey, Chukwu gozie gị. Ime ka ebe ọbụla isi weta mmaji kwuru mmaji. Hey. Nice. Ị ga-eju gị aka. Ịnụkwa? Hey. Isioma, is he not married? I don't want you to have anything to do with a married man. It's not advisable. I'm saying this because this one he's spending so much money on us. I don't understand though.
Woman, keep your advice to yourself. He's just a friend. And which law says that a married man cannot have a single girl as his friend? And vice versa. My son just left for school and this morning came to me. Should we now tell Isioma to go and tell those people to stop coming here or what?
No, I did not say that. All I am saying is that I do not want her to have a relationship with a married man.
Mama, did I discuss this with you? Where are all this coming from now?
I know that you did not discuss anything with me. But as a mother, I must say it. Isioma, those two people, they are married. They look married. As I was looking at them, they look married. And you know that Bible fans are it. So you must not have any relationship with them, is what I said.
Bible? You should have told that your Bible to bring the 2,000 naira Ike, my son, needed for his school. But no. The same Bible should have provided the money I need for my medication. Funny enough, it was a man of God that duped me and brought me back to this village. And my business collapsed. My business scattered. I love God. I trust God. And I so much believe in Him. But my wife, certain things are better allowed to flow freely. Naturally, you know. Listen to me.
See, Sioma, let her be. Leave her alone. Hi, Uju.
Hi.
Please sit. You're welcome.
Actually, I came to discuss on the lifespan of your marriage. I know that ever since you got married to Nora, she has never given you peace of mind. She tells me everything, like every little thing that goes on in your home. She's been my childhood friend. We went to same primary school, secondary, till university level. So we share everything.
Uju, I am tired of this marriage. I know Ike, your husband, a very cool guy just like me. But he has never for one day complained about you. You're a billionaire kid too, just like Nora. Your father gifted you and Ike a house the same way my father-in-law gifted us this house. Squabbles is inevitable in a home. Of course, it must spring up in one or two ways. But Ike has never complained to me that you insulted him or asked him out from that house. But in my own case, Nora insults me at any slightest provocation. She will call me names and remind me how her family made me, how they picked me up, how they made me who I am, how I am living under their roof. In fact, numerous of things wouldn't want to start mentioning. In fact, I am tired. Nora is a mistake fully made.
I understand how you feel. Yeah? I regretted ever allowing my mom to spoil us the way she did, knowing that life may take another turn. There are a lot of things I didn't learn while growing up, but I had to learn them. That includes cooking and some other house chores. Because I am married to Ike. Ike is not as wealthy as my father. My father is wealthy and can afford whatsoever he wants. But Ike can't. So I have to learn different things just to keep my home peaceful. But Nora will never listen.
Mom.
You know she's very stubborn. She never takes advice.
Listen, Uju, I have been insulted. Uju, I have been insulted in this house. My mother-in-law comes into this house to insult and curse me the way she feels. Yes, to the extent that she slaps me. Dimpa. Afuwagomanya. But it's well. I am done with this marriage.
Okay, this is what is going to happen. I will share Nora's most secrets that she has never divulged to anyone. But you have to allow her come back. Let's see if she's going to change. If she doesn't, I have no other option than to spill.
Would you tell me I will keep it? What is it?
Calm down. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, I have to go. See you later.
Hello? Yeah, Isioma. Okay, you're there? You see their gate, it's wide open. Just walk into that black gate, yes. From that signpost, just walk, you see a black gate. Well, yeah, just walk into it. You see me inside the back, okay? All right. Isioma. Omalecha nwa. How are you? Wow. Like, wow, you look so different. You're welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
Fine. It's just that I've not been to a place like this.
Ha! Even when you were in school?
I went to school to read, not to gallivant.
I know, I understand. But at least your boyfriend didn't take you out, when you were in school.
I didn't have any boyfriend though. There was no money for noodles and borrow me, you know, that kind of thing.
She said there was no money for noodles and borrowing. Oh, they eat a lot of noodles and borrow a lot.
Yes.
Eh? I didn't. Oh. I didn't borrow when I was in school.
Though my boyfriend then was a businessman and he traveled abroad.
Oh, okay. You never had a school boyfriend. EJ. It's all good. What do you care for?
Nothing. I'm fine.
So why are we here then? Eh? You need to take something. I know you don't take alcohol, but if it's all those small smell and
I'm fine.
They have isiewu.
No.
They have unkwabi pepper soup. Goat meat pepper soup.
No, I'm okay.
You must take something, Isioma. I'll take something now. Eh?
Okay. Maybe malt.
Malt. With anu pepper soup. Eh? Please get me a bottle of malt. Eh?
Okay, sir.
Hey. So, you... Yes, please get me straw. Or straw or glass. Which one do you want? Straw.
I'll drink it.
From here? It's all good. It's okay, please. Yes. Hey. So,
Mr. Desmond, why did you insist we come here?
Nothing. Well, nothing much. Just for us to get along, drink and eat. That's all. Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for all you've done for me in a short while. God bless you.
Yeah. Amen. I mean, don't go there. Huh? It's nothing. So you said your boyfriend traveled out. Yeah, does he?
Yes, survival here wasn't assured, so he had to travel.
I understand. It's very hard here.
But
you don't really have anything tangible.
Let's not talk about him.
It's all good.
You said
you're married, right? I know you're gonna ask again. Well, it's just an ugly. It's.
Sorry, I didn't mean it that way. I just needed to,
It's okay. It's okay. So, are we friends now? Ah, Omale Changwam, Isioma. Thank you so much for coming to see me and accepting to be my friend. Dalorin, I appreciate.
You're welcome. You're not drinking?
I'm drinking. I was drinking before you came in now.
Mama, sister is back, oh.
Mama, why are you coming? Where did you go?
Mama, what kind of question is this one again? Is there any law in this family that an adult cannot go out again?
It is that family law that will kill you. Are you mad? You left this house and left your sick father hungry. Are you mad? Your brother came back from school and there's no food for him to eat. And you're here talking about family law. Are you mad?
Dikeh, so you cannot boil yam? Eh? You're waiting for me to cook for you? Mama, you are spoiling this boy. You are spoiling him. Oh. So if I get married tomorrow, who will cook for him?
You are still in this house. You are not yet married. As long as I have a grown-up lady like you, you're a lady, you're not a little girl. I cannot continue to be in that kitchen.
Papa, I'm sorry. I will just make something for you to eat.
It's okay. Go and get me something. Isn't it? It's all right. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Isioma. Isioma.
It's all right. It's okay.
Ọkwụ kpara na-ere, ọ sị na ọ na-aha mmanụ.
It's all right. It's all right, my wife.
That is it though. I mean, I'm getting confused every day. This man has been calling me. Like he calls me every day. A married man. A hawker like me. Just because he met me on the street hawking. What does he want to do with me? With a hawker? I don't know. And he's still calling me today. I don't understand. It's confused. It's confusing me.
So? I don't understand. What is she talking about? What is she saying?
Wait now. Calm down. Your body too dey hot. Allow her to finish. Ne, continue, Biko.
She has nothing more to say. A guy met you in the city while you were walking up there, and he fell for you. You're acting naive upon your polytechnic experiences, isn't it?
Amakamba. That's the only thing I will not take from you. Which one is naive? No, don't use that kind of word on me. I don't understand. I'm not you. We are different. Eh? I'm not you that got pregnant for a banker and aborted it. When you aborted your baby, were you not naive? You were going then.
Oh, girls, calm down. Calm down. I've told you, girls, anytime we are in a discussion, no one should bring past events into our discussion. We are friends and we should advise each other.
Advise her first.
Isioma.
Stop calling me naive.
Isioma. When I did that abortion, you know that I was very naive. Yes. And that is why I am advising you not to be me this time. It's not an insult, girl.
It's somehow an insult. Don't call me naive, but I'm sorry. Eh? Sorry. Let me go. The only thing there is that that man is married, and I don't want to date a married man. I don't want to have anything to do with a married man. This man calls me at night. I mean midnight. A married man calling a hawker. Yeah. You go granite in Urban.
But wait, what about his wife? This one, a married man, is calling you at night. I don't understand.
He said his wife traveled to America.
Oh, America.
And he also said that he wants to end the marriage. Because he's been saying a lot of things about the wife. I don't know. You know, that kind of... Not clear.
My friend, don't mind him. That is how they do. He will only use and dump you. And straight, move into another girl. I'd advise you, please, my friend, don't do a married man.
Why?
Did I call you?
Sister Mary, why won't she do a married man? What is wrong in doing a married man that takes care of your family? The very first day this guy met Isioma, he gave her money for her father's medication.
It's true.
Gave Ike the money for school.
It's true.
Even gave her father a huge amount of money. So tell me, why won't she do a married man?
I wasn't talking to you.
What are you even preaching? Okay, in the Bible, Abraham did Agai. Did anything happen? No, I am asking you, did anything happen? I am not part of this advice.
Abraham married. Was he married before?
He was married to Sarah. I thought you were
Married
Christian.
to
Don't mind this Amaka. Don't mind her.
That means
It's not bad now.
Don't mind her. I'm telling you, my friend. Don't mind her.
Oh, my little baby mo.
Good morning, Mr. Desmond.
Good morning. Okay, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You're already arranging granules for the day.
Yes.
Must you sell on a daily? Come on, in a weekend.
Are you?
Please don't use such word on her. Are you trying to discourage her from selling the items that will help the family or what? Isioma, I have warned you to know the kind of people you mingle with. Some people are not good advisors.
Mama, it hasn't gotten to that. Honestly, I'm not trying to discourage your daughter. I mean, I met some other girls hawking out there the day I saw her. And I chose to identify with this beauty. Mama, listen, of a truth, I'm a fan of virtuousness. Oh yes. So I can't possibly discourage her from doing the needful. I mean, it's all showing on her. Yes, that you inculcated that virtuousness into this girl and it attracted me. So, I mean, talking about your daughter, I mean, O&D holder, hawking granite out there to make a living, while her mates are out there, one or two joints, looking for who would take them home for the night and pay. But she chose to live a decent life. And that's a reflection of who her mother is. That shows you inculcated that, morals into your daughter. Madam, I can't possibly, don't get me wrong, I'm not a bad person. I can't possibly, as a fan of viciousness, be against someone doing the needful. Or they're not possible. Okay? My point, why I said what I said earlier, is the fact that she needs to rest sometimes. Anyway, baby, for today, you're not selling anything. Cost it. Give me the bills. I'll pay. Maybe later in the evening, you call, neighbors around, the kids. You share it to them, with Fesalaka and all of that. Better still, you can go to these block rosary points and share them granules. And all of that.
Don't come here and spoil my daughter and run away. Money is not everything.
Mama, I'm just being a good friend. I'm just being a good friend. It's all good.
Come and sit.
No problem. Well, I understand my mom abandoned. Well, these days some men are out there looking for innocent girls to devour. Yeah, sure. Let me just drop it in there. If you have one, you mustn't sell every day. Sometimes you have some day off and cool off.
Sorry. I keep your name. Yeah. I removed them because I know you'll be hurting. So I'll keep it for you until you're ready to leave. Hmm? Okay. Your nails. Your nails are clean, but I still have to cut them a bit. Anyway, before then, let me make you Indomie noodles. You like it? Do you like pepper? Enough pepper? And onions? Alright. Let me drink your shoes. I'll be back. Mama!
Amaka. Not follow. To where this morning? Or has your father sent you to book for wine for him as usual?
I don't understand. You this girl, you don't know how to talk. Oh. Are you trying to call my father a drunk this morning?
Ha! I did not say that though. I only asked the crystal. I beg, I don't have your time this morning, Biko.
Who cares? Because in this village, anybody can just open your mouth, wah, and say what they like. That was how I removed my pregnancy because of cho from all of you. That child would have been my greatest asset if I didn't get rid of it. So as we speak, I am Azwanuka, as I know they hear word.
So did anyone stop you from getting pregnant? Or is there no man around?
Baseless question. Do you know if the gods are angry at me because of the one I removed? Well, if another opportunity comes, I will utilize it very well. Look at the way you were talking to Isioma, telling her dating a married man is bad, blah, blah, blah. Let me tell you something. If unwanted pregnancy is as bad as we see it, as we are looking at it, none of those children would have survived.
So any woman can open up and take in, right? Is that what you're trying to tell me?
Ego. What? The Bible said, go into the world and multiply. The Bible did not say married men and women go into the world and multiply. Leave this girl alone. How put this girl Aka? Leave Isioma alone. What is it?
Really? You're advising this girl wrongly.
Oh, please shift.
And it's not good. If for ya, Irencha.
Oh my goodness. I've not had a well-garnished noodles like this before. I mean, what's the recipe?
I just cooked it. Even my father loves to eat my noodles.
It's actually tasty.
Thank
Wonderful.
you.
Hey,
Good
morning,
sir.
Amaka.
Good morning.
Mr. Desmond, Miss Amaka, my friend. We attended the same school.
Oh, Amaka.
Sir?
You're beautiful.
Thank you, sir.
Amaka, truly, or you fit is in Ambono. Wow.
So, she has told me everything about you. What you've done. Oga, please, don't leave her. Let your friendship bring forth love and peace. She has been through a lot, coupled with her father's condition. I learned you're married, but at least you opened up and you told her the truth. Unlike some other married men that will hide theirs just to get at her ties and run away.
Amaka,
what?
The way your mouth is running.
Leave me alone. I have to say the truth. Nebiko, go and get me my own noodles. I'm very hungry.
Which noodles?
Jimaka.
It's finished.
How?
Hey, come on, go get her fork, okay? So she can join me. I like how she's straightforward. I like straightforward and open-hearted people. Just wait till your fork.
Are you sure?
Come and sit. Yes, please. Hey, this Indomie is so tasty. Yes, please. Oh my goodness, I've not had this in a while. Eh? How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Don't worry, she's coming with work, eh?
Okay, sir.
Oh, my little marker, my little marker. Hey. You know who is Zeke? You know Mbono, eh?
No,
Those
sir.
days, when you see them standing, you know that friendship matched them, just like both of you.
Thank you. So you're serious? Mm-hmm.
Eat, Jare.
Thank you, sir.
Don't mind her. Hmm? You know, I asked her to join me and it said once she cooks, she can't test that food. You know, some people are like that.
That's true, you're correct, sir.
So how about school now?
Fine, sir.
You want to further?
Yes, sir. I want to go for direct entry to university.
Oh, that's good.
I'm working on it now.
Okay. What course do you want to study in university?
Microbiology, sir.
Microbiology?
Yes, sir.
Will microbiology fetch you a job in this country? For sure.
By God's grace, sir.
Okay. So, why did you choose microbiology?
Because biology is my favorite subject, sir.
What you like reproduction? It's okay. I wish you all the best, eh?
Thank you, sir.
Oh. Baby, you need to go get us soft drink so we can wash down this tasty food, eh?
No.
Get us something to drink.
No, sir. I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir. Don't bother yourself. I'm okay with this one.
Oh. It's all good. So, microbiology, huh? Mm-hmm.
Isioma, I have warned you that I don't like your association with that girl Amaka.
Mama, what is it now? She hasn't done anything wrong. The only thing I know is that she says it the way it is. What
She
else?
has done, oh. She has done. Her longer throat is too much. How can she be asking you to give her notice before a visitor? Is she mad? Is your Dikeh? Then again, she's advising you. She's telling you to start dating a married man. Is that the kind of friend you want to keep?
Mama, leave Amaka alone.
It's your man. Listen to your mother, oh.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone. In fact, leave us alone. She's not a longer truth. Yes. You don't even know the kind of help she rendered to me in school. I should be the one telling you. And again, I'm an adult. And I know what I want for myself. I know what I want to do. I know the good from the bad. Stop is dropping, Biko.
So you have grown. So my daughter has grown that I cannot give her advice again. So Badero, I'll be watching you.
Isioma, that guy is a good guy. And he seems as someone that loves peace. He was so relaxed in your house, eh?
You know, I just met him, so I need to learn more about him. You know, men can be unpredictable, so you never can tell.
You're correct. Yes, they are. But you see that man I saw at your place? He's a good man.
Because nearly Indomie, okay?
Leave that one. See, don't listen to what Ego is saying. That one, she's not saying rubbish. There are some married men that are worth it. They provide for their family. They take very good care of their family. And relax with their side babe. I don't see anything wrong in that. I have seen men that has given good lives to girls, trained them, and they later became somebody in life. I will not allow anybody cajole me into believing that and once you date a married man, your home will be finished. That's around nonsense. I know people will not like Amaka, but do I care? No, I don't care. The truth stands tall.
Amaka, I've heard you. Let me rush and stay with him. I know we'll be leaving soon. The sun is even too much.
Love, one thing, enjoyment officer. Take care.
Honestly, you're a wonderful cook, I must say.
Thank you.
I can feel that garlic. It's making me feel refreshed.
Papa.
You didn't tell me your friend came around.
But Papa, I told you. Maybe you didn't hear me well.
Good day, sir.
Mm-hmm. Welcome.
Remember to prepare food for Ikedi. Eh? Soon he'll be back from school. Oh.
Mama, I know.
No, I'm inside.
Papa, can I give me one?
I'm still alive.
Thank God.
Still alive. I'm not dead yet.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine.
I told you your nails are grown. So let me cut it.
Hello. Hey, this little girl can take care of a man. Oh. I'm telling you.
It's your man.
It's your man now. Eh? Look at my fingers. if I take off my shoe, you see my toes. Well detailed and cleaned up. She did it better than those who own beauty and spa houses.
Are you serious?
Oh yes.
This is serious.
It is serious.
You mean to tell me that her father was there looking at how that her daughter was, cutting your nails and treating you so fine?
The man was watching us and listening to our conversation. That guy man now, he did there. He wants his daughter to at least be free and, man up to the society. Free association.
Well, that's what. You see, you really get mine. All this why the mind you had while we were still in school. And now you activate it.
Yeah, but because I had no bad intention. Yes, my intention is genuine. So, what am I scared of?
Just imagine.
I'm not scared of anything.
You get mine. It's your man father did there. They look you. Just imagine a girl you have not even thought of paying her bride price.
Well, listen, that girl, I'm thinking of going further with her. Yes, I'm in love with you somehow. Oh yes, I'm going further with her. After all, I have no child with Nora. Okay? I mean, getting a divorce will be easier and I'll walk away clean sheet, a free man. Oh yes.
What happens to Nora?
Who be Nora? Eh? What it be Nora? Is not Nora how? Who goes Nora? Who is Nora? We are talking about Isioma, beautiful, decent and virtuous girl. You're calling a nagging woman. Eh? One nagging girl somewhere. My brother, I've moved on.
Oh. Desmond. So has he gotten to this stage? Has he gotten to this level?
It has.
This is your more for a girl. Namia, you see her.
Yeah, so we met her together. I mean, the girl has taken away. She swept me off my feet. Have you seen me this happy before? Of course. Man is getting back gradually. Bro, I'm taking it further. Oh yes, and that's what it is.
Desmond, I understand everything. I understood even before you said it. But I will have to put it to you as my own friend and brother. Desmond, before you take any decision as a man, you must wait for your wife who travels abroad. Yes, because I will want you as a man to stand before her very eyes. Hey, Nora, I am done with this marriage as a man. Then you have taken a decision.
Yeah. Motivational speaker. Zalom. Avoid me, motivational speaker. Avoid me. Wait for who? You're wasting discussion. Waste of discussion. I'm not about to sing kata. Listen, I found love. It's your mama.
But wait, this is really funny. But good and fine. I still maintain on what I said. Desmond, Nora still remains marked, even in the Bible, in heaven, legally married wife.
I know, man.
You still have to talk to her.
Waste of discussion.
Wait for her to come back before taking any decision as a man.
This is super story. Listen, found the love life. It's your man.
I know. But
bye to reggae. Bye to raga.
Mommy, it's your ma. Mommy, it's your ma. Mama, good morning. Ma?
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
I went to your house earlier and I was expecting to see you.
I went to see my mother. She has not been feeling too well.
Oh, how is she?
She's getting better now. I came back this morning. Ifeanyi told me that you've been looking for me everywhere. I hope all is well, Mama.
Ugochi, all is not well. That was why I was looking for you. We need to talk about it. Let me go to sit, eh? Just
okay,
hold on.
okay, Mama.
Ugochi,
Mama.
you are close to Isioma. But I don't know what happened to both of you and you stopped coming. When you were coming here, I was seeing little changes in her, which shows that she was emulating something good from you.
Mama, we did not quarrel. I told her to stop being friends with Amaka. Amaka has no good reputation in this village. She's still friends with her, so I have to quit and mind my own business. Ma?
Amaka is advising Isioma to start dating a married man. That man comes here at will, spends a lot of money on her, and even gives her father money for drugs on daily basis. That's why I have been looking for you. Help me speak to her, talk to her, tell her to leave a married man alone.
But Mama, how do you know that the man is married?
You should know your friend by now, that she doesn't know how to keep secrets. She actually opened up to me and told me everything. George, Bikono, you know that that thing is adultery, you know. And you also know that Bible frowns at such thing. Please help me.
This is a very bad attitude, Mama. This is what our young girls of these days indulge themselves in. But don't worry, Mama. I will talk to her. Don't worry. Just leave this to me. I will try my possible best to talk to her. I will.
Hey.
John, you've been happy since Madame traveled, right?
Hey, Oga. You dey serious though? See, if you say you don't, open church, By now, if you don't get plenty members safe, if you don't get plenty, me sef, they work under you, maybe become your treasurer for church. You dey see road though. I am very happy. In short, I have what we call inner peace. Inner peace. No more sending Johnny go there, go this, go wash, go do this. Left alone for me sef, I for say make madam just dey where she dey, be where you were.
Unfortunately, she will return soonest because she has business here and there in this country. John, your salary. Yeah, I added some money to it because I know things are hard now. So.
Hey, thank you very much, sir. You see, I have been looking at the envelope. I say, this envelope, it be like say you don't have them sacrament because it no look like the previous. Thank you very much, sir. Hey, sometimes I imagine why the creator created women. They are very troublesome. Me, child, I no sure I go marry. I no go marry. Me marry. Child, why is she? Thank you, Oga. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
John, I'll be traveling for a few weeks.
Okay.
Make sure you take care of the house.
Sure.
And do not allow anybody into this compound. Okay?
Of course, of course. You are a good man. So, Oga, you see, for this one, what you do, in short, I'm going to sing a particular song dedicated to you. I never tell you say I'm a songwriter. No worry, you will see me on screen singing with my blousing with my song music. Okay, let me go. Indiana upon the beat. I will bump it to name my mother. I will bump it to name my father. Oh, hey, when I bump me, oh, I will bump it to name my mother. I will bump it to name my father. Oh. Wow. Life is good. John, this is wonderful. As you God don't travel like this, pay me better money. John. Even madam too. Now only me did this house. I think I will enter the street. Man, just enter, go find complete human being. Now so, John, you don't say now. I'm waiting. This house, human being must enter this house today. So that is it, you know. Anything better than money is too much money, excess money. I want to believe that You are enjoying yourself.
Yes, I am enjoying myself so much. I don't even feel like going. Tell me about this place. How did you come about all this place?
Listen, you see this house, how beautiful it is, everything in it is imported. Even the chair you are sitting on is imported in London. London imported chair.
Wow. Is it yours?
Listen to me. It's not my house. It's my brother's house. You know, he lives in London, so I'm the one looking after the house.
Wow. This must be a beautiful place. But don't tell me say your brother get money like this. So. You came home with a beautiful girl. You had money for me, so I will do you well. No now. You know now. Brother is a big man. Pounds and dollars. I'm not scared.
Listen to me. Money is not the problem. Here, money is not the problem. I have dollar, I have naira in this house.
See.
As far as you would allow me to have access to every part of your body, including...
See, listen. I assure you every part of my body. You came home with a beautiful girl. See back. Is it this one?
Wow.
Front and back is complete. In fact, if you want to hang me, just do that. I'm all yours tonight.
Are
The
you
first thing you
serious?
add money for me, we will get problem. I will do you well by the time I pass on you.
You know what?
You know you came home with a beautiful girl.
Come.
Isioma.
Papa! Papa, you called me.
I heard someone scream at the backyard. What happened?
Papa, my phone fell inside the water. What?
How could you be this careless?
I wasn't careless. It was an accident. And I already placed the battery where to dry.
What do you do now?
Papa, it's just the phone, don't worry. Do you want me to do anything for you?
Get me some water to drink.
Okay, I'm coming.
Chief.
Madam, I beg you. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of Christ. I beg you in the name of Olumba. Don't call me Chief. I'm not Chief. My name is not Chief. Everybody know. My name is John.
But I was only trying to promote you.
Promote again. I don't need your promotion. Which promotion? After all, your gender don't finish me. Safe.
My gender. How?
Don't worry, you won't. Don't worry. It's just a slip of tongue. You know, at times, slip just talk. It's just a slip of tongue. Oga travel, and Madam is not back yet.
No wonder I've not been able to reach him. Okay, did he tell you when he'll come back?
I don't know, but she said you will come back on weekend.
Because I've been trying to call him, but his number isn't connecting.
Yeah.
Okay, this is what will happen. If he comes back before I reach him, just help me pass this message to him. Tell him that I want to see him. It's very important and urgent, okay?
Okay.
All right, then help me get the gates. Open the gates.
Hi. Who sent me to go carry woman come to this house? I don't lost everything, all my money, my necklace, my phone, even the ring where they wear for hand, I don't lost it. Chai! This girl na thief oh. This girl na big thief. The small money wey Oga give me wey I suppose use am do one or two things wey go better my life. Una dey see am John. I don use am go follow do short time. Chai! This gender wicked oh. Well,
Isioma, so all the messages I've been sending to you that want to see you have not gotten to you yet. You have been avoiding me in this village, yet you are in this same village.
I've been very busy. And I'm aware that my mother has been coming to you to tell you that I'm dating a married man, isn't it?
So far I know, that man will never do anything good for you because he's a married man. And you end up committing adultery. And you know the Bible frowns at it. Your mother does not like him visiting. And the villagers are seeing. That's why she's worried.
So, a married man that came to help my family financially is a sin now. No, it's not God that sent him. You that is talking, Ugochi, how many times have you called to check up on my family? On my sick father. I'm not talking about you calling me on phone because I salkij make apom. How many times have you called to check up on my father, my sick father? Your brother that traveled abroad, that my father, my sick father, assisted to travel out. How many times has he called on phone to know how the same man that helped him to travel out is doing? The only thing he does is to buy land, offer an ogo, and to spend money on you and your siblings. You know, let me preach him about adultery.
Isioma, all I'm saying is, dating someone's husband is not good. Unless he's divorced.
I preach him. See, if I use the kind anger, phone, maybe. If I use the anger, you will not like it. The next time you see me on the road, to preach to me about adultery. Or the next time you gossip with my mother concerning the same issue, I swear to God, you won't like me.
I don't know what else to say. What happened now? Your line has been switched off. I'm taking on my way to your house. What is it?
See all this nonsense phone that fell inside water. Immediately I wanted to pick your call. Can you imagine? And I've been trying to dry it since, but no way.
Sorry, you. And your Desmond will be trying to reach you now.
That's the problem, And he promised to come to my house today. And this nonsense happened. What am I going to do now?
What are we going to do? Take my phone now. You put your SIM. You call him and you tell him what happened. I trust him. He will get a new phone. Oh, don't go up.
That side. That guy has tried a lot now. He's been doing a lot for me and my father. But let me use your...
Madam Onyoma, see why. He's not counting all that. He's in love. He's not counting it. Put the SIM. Isioma. Hey! Obago! Come. Just like that. That guy is a sharpshooter. No.
Actually, wait. Hold on.
What is it now?
What's today's date? Wait.
14. What happened? No, sorry. Hi. I swear this will be a mother. Oh. Come. Sorry, oh.
Stop now.
Stop.
Did that? Stop.
Sorry.
Hi God, and I told Desmond though.
You told him what?
I told him, but Desmond did not listen to me. You were not there. I told him not to. You don't understand.
Not to do what?
Not to read this thing. And it was like this.
Yeah?
It was like this.
What's this? Never put this.
Like this, I laughed him. Jesus. Are you? Jesus Christ!
Jesus is the Son of God.
You don't understand.
Wait, see, and he has not done
Desmond.
anything wrong. What is it? Eh? You're pregnant. Hi, I will do Thanksgiving in church. As I come, let's go to my house. Come, let's go.
My mother.
Put your hand down.
Let's go to the house. Your house, Abby.
My house. Calm down. You're doing like this when you were enjoying it. You're doing like this. It's not ringing now. Call again. That's ringing. Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Who is this?
It's Amaka. It's your man's friend. Her phone fell into water and it's spoiled. She wrote your number somewhere and she's using my phone to call you, sir.
Okay, I've been calling her. Is she okay?
She's not, though. She's not. But let me give her the phone so she can talk to you.
Okay. What's wrong?
Sir, it's like you're a good ghost scorer because my friend is pregnant. She's pregnant. And we need you to come. If not, we'll abort it, so. Her parents are not even aware of it.
You said she's what?
It's not a joke. She went out with you just once. You didn't even use protection. You're a married man. What are we going to do now?
Hello, Amaka. Okay, if she's pregnant, I'm going to take responsibility. Where are you guys? I'll be there soon. Just hold on, okay?
Okay, sir. We are waiting. Thank you so much, sir. Bye. He said it's coming.
It's coming. I told him more.
Calm down. You told him what? Did he run away? He said it's coming. Which one is you told him?
Wait. Which kind of rubbish be this one now? Why she go come back now? Why? Oh, was that why Oga was drinking and thinking last night? The coming back of Lucifer. I see. I think I will go and find work somewhere. I will go and look for work somewhere. See as I don't fat finish. Look at me now. Although the girl I carry stole my money, but that one no follow. I know reason now. No be that one. Oh.
Isioma. Isioma. So you're still here? So you have not gone to fetch the water I asked you to fetch? Are you sure you're okay?
Mama, I'm fine.
You have been sleeping and have not gone to fetch water. You are asked to say you are fine.
Papa, I'll go later.
Why? What is the problem? Are you sick?
No, Papa, I'm not sick. I'm fine. I just feel a kind of headache.
A kind of? Isioma, did I hear a kind of? I knew it! I was only waiting to confirm it. Isioma, leave a married man alone. You said no. You have seen it. We shall see how it goes. At the end of the day, if it is true that you're pregnant, Isioma not in this house. Isioma, but no now. Get up, Isioma. I say get up.
Isioma. Go happy. Let her be.
Nine. I should let her be when she's about to bring shame to this family.
Leave her. Go to the market.
Let me go and come back.
Isioma.
Papa.
Isioma.
Papa.
You're just calling me now, Abby. Oh, but you said you were going to call me yesterday now.
Amaka, no problem. Amaka.
Let me call you back, please.
So you're here? So that man got Isioma pregnant? And you have been hiding it away from me, despite we're friends in this village.
Why won't I hide it? No, tell me now. Why won't I hide it from you? Or you want me to tell you so you will advise her to abort it?
And so?
Okay. Because to you, pregnancy before marriage is a sin.
Isn't it?
And that is why most of our young girls keep having abortion on a daily basis. You see that man? He's a real man. He only went out with Isioma once. Boom! And she's pregnant.
So that is what you say, right? So that is what you say. That man is a married man.
I forgot.
And I advised Isioma not to have anything to do with a married man at all.
As a mother now.
But you kept deceiving her. I only came to tell you that I'm not happy at all with this recent development. That girl has been the one taking care of her sick father. The man is sick, for crying out loud. And boom, the devil from nowhere came.
For the devil.
Okay, you're asking me. You're asking me if I saw the devil. You're asking me. Anyways, we'll see the outcome.
Which outcome?
I've told you my mind.
My friend, leave this place, bro. Which outcome? As a mother, now you're coming to warn me. Don't come and beat me now. Nonsense. Look at how you interrupted my call because of...
Mother, I came back to the house and I did not see any sign of Desmond. Yes, I even went to the factory and they told me that he's not been there for the past 2 weeks. I do not even care. I do not care whether he disappears into the thin air or goes to the next planet, which is called Jupiter. I don't care. But you need to understand that that guy is the most annoying human on earth. He's so annoying, I can't even stand him. Yes, Mom, I'll call you back. Hey, come back here. When did your guy, my husband, go out of the house and when did he back out?
Oga no call you.
Are you by any chance answering my questions with question?
Okay, madam. Oga don japa, we don move. Oga carry motor, pack in things, pack clothes, pack everything. Come out. I can't say, Oga, what, where are you? I said, Oga, let me follow you now. Okay. I know say you no get space for inside, but at least I fit ask for back or even on top of the motor. He said, John, don't follow me. I said, Oga.
What? Wait. Are you trying to tell me that you would have left me all alone in this house? You wanted to go with him?
Madam, if not, Oga, what am I doing here again? Nothing. I no get business. I no get anything for here. Now, Oga, I just...
Laura, calm down. John, am I owing you? Am I, by any chance, owing you?
Oga don't clear me everything, even pay me for this month. Sir.
Very beautiful. Now I want you to do me a favor. Take your dejected, shredded, decomposed self out of my sight. Go and pack up your things and leave my compound this instant.
Okay, madam, thank you. Hallelujah. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. As I'm talking to you like this, my bag, they forget. They do press or wait for me. Let me come and carry. Hey, one more thing. Let me thank you for a service I rendered to you. Bye-bye. We'll go to my video and continue my music talent. I will bump picking to name my mother.
John! John!
My father, oh.
John! John, come back here! Seriously, why did Desmond not wait for me to come back before leaving the house? Not even one pair of shoe. Not even one cloth of Desmond is in the house. And this nitwit had the gust.
It's your mom. Tell your father the truth. Are you pregnant? You are not talking. Are you with a child?
Papa, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I know I've brought shame to this family, but forgive me, please.
Who is responsible?
It's Desmond.
Desmond. Was it not the same Desmond that you told me is married? And I remember telling you certain things. Am I telling you certain things you need to know when dealing with a married man.
But Papa, I told you what Desmond told me about his marriage with his wife.
Which is?
How he's planned to leave the house. And he has left.
How did you know? How did you know? Because for some time now I have not seen him. And your phone got spoiled. Have you been talking with him?
I talked to him with Amaka's phone. And he'll be here in a few days. Papa, he assured me that everything is fine.
Everything is fine. I don't think everything is fine. Huh? Isioma, I shouldn't have allowed this happen. No. This is wrong. You shouldn't have allowed this happen. Oh, it is true that Desmond has been good to us. But it's not enough for you to open your leg wide for him. Eh? It's not enough for you to allow him impregnate you. Or what? Or touching or tabli. Eh? He is on one jump, and on top of that jump, he wants to jump on that one. He has not finished what he has in his mouth, and now he's trying to put on that. If he does not like their marriage, it behoves him to divorce the woman first before thinking of coming to establish another marriage with you. Eh? Hey. So you just contributed, that is to my pains. Would you not do it now? You have treated me like this.
Papa, I'm sorry.
So I'm disappointed.
I'm sorry, please forgive me.
You have contributed to my pains. This is my situation.
My problem now is my mother. She talks from morning till night, calling me all sorts of names.
And your dad?
I've spoken to my dad and he equally blamed me. But he said I should be careful and see what Desmond's next move will be.
I wish my dad was alive. He wouldn't have allowed me remove that pregnancy. Out of fear, I removed the child God placed in my womb. Same attack you're facing now was the same I faced, and I removed it. When I was done, my mother arrested. Let me ask a question. Is it better that when a girl child mistakenly gets pregnant, she should abort it or have the child? People need to know that shouting and abusing a girl child is a sin. But don't worry.
Sister Isama, that son is at home. Daddy is calling you.
Okay. No problem. Okay.
My own is that I don't want my daughter to marry a man who already has a wife. Manu Makan and Ochinte. They will not hear word. The Bible frowns at a lot of things. How can a little girl of this age be committing adultery? I have said my own. Ikedi, let's go inside.
Isioma,
what Amaka said over the phone, is it true? Did you go to the hospital to confirm, or you missed your period and you're assuming you're pregnant?
I'm pregnant.
Did you go to the hospital to confirm, or should I take you to a hospital so we can confirm?
I'm 1 month gone. We went to the hospital and it was confirmed.
You people went to the hospital? Which hospital?
The general hospital.
Do you have the result? 1 month gone.
Yes, 1 month.
Well, my name is Lucas, and we are friends. I've been away for so long. My wife lives in Canada. You know, immediately I get back, he told me everything, and also told me that your phone got spoiled. So I decided to get you this one, you know, at least for the good news.
A phone for me?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
It's okay.
God bless you.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
And Nora said Desmond's sperm is dead. The question is, which one now got Isioma pregnant? Isioma, did you sleep with another man?
God forbid. Let me die in this pregnancy if I ever...
Shh. Don't go that far. Listen, we believe you. Hmm?
Your wife, if she gets to know that someone is pregnant for you, won't there be any problem? I mean, you told me you already left the house. I'm just thinking.
Baby Mgedo Wante, forget about my wife. Please. Listen. Though I'm taking you to my doctor to confirm, but I want to beg you for something. Protect this baby. Protect this our baby with your life. Be cool, okay? At all costs, protect it. I am going to take care of you and the baby. I will. I will.
I thought you were going to be mad at me.
Mama, mad? Am I mad? No, now. Listen, you've just proven that I'm a man. Oh, yes, you heard him. This is a news I have been waiting to hear all my life. And it's... No. Please, protect this baby at all costs. Please. I promise I will take care of you and the baby. I mean it. Please. Oh?
Thank you.
Yes. Listen. Whatever it is, just call me, tell me. Oh? You heard what he said. Imagine all of a sudden you're giving me that news. If not for the kind of a girl you are, I would have doubted you. And I'm an money boy. Obviously. Hey, Mba! Let's go and see her father.
Yes, who's there? Come in. Yes, what can I I do for you?
Madam, you haven't been yourself since you came back from travel. I know there is a problem. I have been wanting to tell you something.
Something like what?
Madam, it's about your husband and his new girlfriend he wants to marry. I have all the data with me.
This one, my husband, wants to marry again. Was that why he backed out of the house? Who is this girl that we asked?
Madam, I don't want any problem with Oga.
No, listen. You're not going to have any problem with him. I promise I'm going to keep it private. So please, can you talk to me?
This new girl, she's from my village. Her name is Isioma.
Isioma?
And her father had a stroke. Lately, they have been seeing each other since he traveled. And it has been confirmed that she's pregnant. Right now, it is a breaking news in the whole of my village.
My husband got another woman pregnant. Do you have this girl's picture? Like, how do I get to meet her?
I have a picture. I also have a number.
Wow, that is amazing. Thank you so much. Please, please forward it to my WhatsApp, I beg you. And that reminds me, your salary has been increased by 10%.
Madam,
thank you so much. Thank you. Send it to my WhatsApp right now.
Thank you, madam. I will do that right away.
Yesterday we fought, today we still at war. What kind of a woman? She gives me no peace, no peace. Yesterday we fought, and today we still at war.
Yes, hello, Matiti. I need you to be in my office now.
Mama, I would advise you watch Isioma closely. And that of that man that got her pregnant. She avoided me for months and ignored all my invites. Mama, please. I don't want this to give you headache. Please.
My dear, at this point, there is nothing else I can do. The man came with his people yesterday that he wants to marry her. And he has done the traditional knock. You see, there is nothing else I can do.
Mama, if it's the will of God, let it be. We shall cross our fingers and see.
I have submitted to that will of God. What else can I do?
I have a job for you.
What kind of job is that?
I have this little girl. I mean, this girl is pregnant for my husband. I want you to go over to her place, beat her to her. As a matter of fact, do not leave until you're sure she's no longer breathing.
How fast do you want the job done? And I need her details, her house and all of that.
As soon as possible. And I will be sending you her details, address and pictures.
Send it to my WhatsApp.
Okay, I just did. This is the part payment. You will be getting your balance when the job is fully delivered.
Nice one. I will get back to you as soon as possible.
Good.
I knew you were gonna make this mistake. I knew you were gonna call Matiti. Really? So you don't have brains up there. If I allow you, you will make this mistake. Desmond left the house because of your constant nagging. You actually called Matiti to follow Isioma and harm her because she's pregnant for your man. The man you have never respected. You're always shouting at him, reminding him of how broke he is, how poor he is. And that you are the only daughter of the wealthiest man in this world. Nora, let me ask you, is your late father half Elon Musk? Is he? The same death pen. He used it to get another lady pregnant. Ain't you ashamed of yourself? I have been pleading with you to let peace reign in your home. Let your man rest. Give him peace of mind. Accord him all the respect he deserves as your husband. But no. No, you won't listen to me. That child could be yours. That child could call you mother. That child could pee on your bed, cuddle you. That child will give you a cup of water someday. What you're going to do now is pick up your phone and call Matiti. Yes, you will listen to me. Your time of insult and shouting, it's over. Pick up your phone right now. I'm not giving you an option. Call him and tell him to back out. I don't know whatever order you've given to him. Tell him to stop. Pick up your phone right now and do it. This is not an empty threat. If you don't call him, this time around, I will spill. I'm serious. I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Yes, Matiti. The deal is off. Yes. You can as well keep the money. Have a nice day.
Yesterday we fought, today we still at war. What kind of a woman? She gives me no peace, no peace. Yesterday we fought, and today we still at war. What kind of a woman? She gives me no peace, no peace. Cause she's a nagging woman. She knocks in the morning, she knocks in the night. I can't take her excesses anymore. She knocks in the morning, she knocks in the night. She is a nagging woman. She knocks in the morning, she knocks in the night. I can't take it anymore. She knocks in the morning, she knocks in the night. Someone tell me what should I do? Cause I'm fed up. I consider a mistake. Oh, why me? Why me? Why me?
Yes, hello, Uju. Uju, please calm down. Uju, please, this is no time for drama. I beg you in the name of God, for friendship's sake. Can you come to the house? Like right now, please. Please. I'm losing it, I beg you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Today we still at war. What kind of a woman? She gives
You and I
me
know
no
that you committed an abortion while we were still in senior secondary 2. You took a concussion that wasn't good for your womb. It destroyed and rumpled your womb. If not for your God and doctor, you wouldn't be alive today. Then when I make out time to talk to you, advise you, what do I get? Insults. You yell at me, talk to me anyhow.
I'm sorry, Uju. I am sorry. Seriously, I do not want to lose Desmond. I love him.
You love him?
I do.
That man loves you. Or should I say loved? He wanted the best for you. He wanted the best Nora. He wanted you to be the mother of his kids and cater for them, even though he's not aware that there's nothing down there. I already advised you. I said you could do all of this with love. You know one thing I've learned in life about men? If you don't give them that respect that they want, it's either they walk away or they do what you wouldn't take. I've been talking to you about this, Isioma. You need to treat her with love. Accept her baby as yours. You won't listen to me.
I have accepted. Yes, we talked about it in the office and I gave it a thought. I have accepted this Isioma and the baby. Wholeheartedly, seriously. I just don't want to lose Desmond.
This is a good start then. Because this is the only way you can convince Desmond that you're a changed person. I will advise you allow Isioma to come in, but not until she delivers. Then you can take care of the baby and her. Take them as yours. With that, Desmond will know, oh, Nora has changed. One more thing. You need to penetrate him through his friends, Lucas and Henry. You know you've treated them bad, right? So you have to start apologizing to them. That's one way to correct your mistakes. Also, we are all getting old someday. These babies will be the ones to be there for you when you get old. I have mine.
Okay. I've heard everything you said. I will apologize to Lucas and Henry and accept Isioma and the baby as my child.
That's my friend.
You know, everything is beginning to play right in my head. The reflection, the flashbacks. The only thing Desmond ever wanted from me was just to be a better person.
Yes.
But the spoiled girl in me wouldn't even let me see it.
Alright, it's okay.
Please help me tell him that I'm a changed person. I've changed.
I believe you. I believe you. I love you.
For how long will I keep doing this? It's been 6 months Desmond left this house to God knows anywhere. He doesn't even take my calls. Even Ujuda promised to bring him back, all to no avail. I blame my mother for everything. That you are a rich man's child does not deprive you from being part of the house chores. We all have our different destinies in life. That your father is a rich man does not assure you that you have to marry a rich person. Now, how do I see this girl? How do I use her to bring Desmond back home? We can all stay together and love each other. Let me at least carry a child from my husband's groin.
Nora, why did you leave everywhere open? From the gate to the main house is open. Don't you know who you are? You are giving access to bad boys.
I don't care anymore, Mother. I don't. All this happening are your fault. You caused it. If you had cautioned me at the right time, I would have stopped. I would have known when to stop. I would have known my limit. If you had trained me up like a proper mother would to a daughter, I wouldn't have been in this mess today. But no! You would walk into the house, slap my husband, humiliate him. Now he's gone. He's nowhere to be found. I left the damn door open so he could at least come back with the woman he got pregnant. Is it that you not see that I'm frustrated? Can't you see it? Are you not feeling my frustration? Can't you see that I'm unhappy? Everybody should just let me be. On my own Desmond.
Stop crying, okay? Stop crying. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. Stop crying. Okay?
Hey, bro. What's up, man? How did it happen now? I'm fine. Your wife came to my office an hour ago. This morning, you need to see how she cried. Good for her. That's some crocodile tears, man. I don't get it. Listen, Desmond. Nora still remains your wife. And the way I saw everything, I think she has really changed. And also, I want to beg you for just one thing. Please, I beg you, Desmond. I want you to forgive Nora. Henry, are you done talking? What do you mean if I'm done, Desmond? Hello? Desmond?
Hey, I mean, the chupo aloka. Hey, like a mama. Hey!
Papa, good morning.
Aloka. No. Chupa aloka kwalo.
Papa, we had the good news, so that Isioma has delivered.
My daughter. We give God all the glory. We give God all the glory. Yeah.
Just that I don't know how Isioma will face Desmond's wife. Eh? I don't like this kind of marital issues. If Desmond is no longer married to his wife, he should put up a divorce. I told him this thing the day he came with his family to pay her bride price. Yet, he hasn't done that.
Isn't it my wife? Let me tell you, every man has the right to marry as many wives as he thinks he can. No man just gets up one and decides to go and get a second wife if he doesn't have something troubling him. Yes. And this one is a man.
Mama Isioma, I know where you are coming from. We all try to stop her from this relationship. But then again, I had a second thought. Everything happens for a reason.
Madam, this talk, this very one, is business. For me, Isioma is married to Desmond. And if the so-called wife wants, she can go and marry another man. A husband is a crown on a woman's head. If you value that crown, he will never bring in another woman. He will only chop outside and clean his mouth.
Ikede, please go and get me my phone. Let me even call them this morning. I know how they feel.
My friend is now a mother.
Mama, you go for Mugo now. I am. You will come with me.
Yes, Mama.
I know, Tatafo.
I wish I was the one that would go to that Omugo.
Hey, nice Squanike.
What's the result for today's match, sir? Don't ask.
Baby. Please. I'm sorry. I know you're so pissed with me right now. I know I'm the last person you ever want to say to your eyes on, but please, I am sorry.
Please forgive me. I'm a changed person now. Just try me. All I'm asking for is another chance to prove myself. Please, help me beg you. Please, no. I'm sorry. Please.
I mean, who did this? Henry, Lucas, would you, I know it's you. Why did you bring her here? I mean, what's all this? Chaos?
Just calm down.
What is it?
Henry, Lucas and I have forgiven her. Just hear her out. Hear what she has to say. Listen to her, please.
I'm sorry.
You kneeling down? Nora kneeling for me? I mean, this looks like some movie to me.
No, it's not a movie. It's not a movie. It's real. Please, I beg you.
No matter what touched you. I mean, it's no longer your father's house, your father's cars, your father's establishment and all.
To help with my father, to help with everybody. It's just you that I want. Please, be gone. I'm sorry. Be gone. You can even bring back Isioma and the baby. We will live together as one big family. Please.
Desmond, come on.
Go.
You can do this for us. See, look at Henry. Look at me, Lucas. Look at what you were kneeling down. See, Nora is no longer that spoiled brat you used to know. She has really changed a lot. Okay? You can see it for yourself. Please.
You know, there's this saying that says, to err is human, but to forgive is divine. When there is no sin, there wouldn't be any forgiveness. We all know she has provoked you, offended you, insulted you. Just look for a way in your heart to forgive her.
Yeah.
If not for anything, for the years you both have spent together. Please.
We are together in this. This is your wife. She remains your wife. Please. Forgive her.
I beg you, Desmond. I'm sorry. I didn't mean all these things I was telling you. It was not intentional. I am ready to live with Isioma and her child. I will accept them wholeheartedly. Let them come and stay with us, please. As long as you're happy with me, I beg you. Just forgive me, please. I accept Isioma. I pledge on my honor. I accept her with all my heart. Please, bring her back with the baby. Please.
Please, you guys should just get up and sit.
Not until you forgive Nora, your wife.
Everybody, please. Everybody get up. Nora, get up. I've forgiven you. Just get up. Sorry. Thank you. Please, just get up. Sorry. Would you get up now? Nora, Nora. Just get up. Get up. Get up. Sorry. Sorry. Nora, I love you. What I only wanted is for you to be reasonable when it comes to domestic activities. Being domesticated won't take anything away from you. It will never change your status. Rather, it presents you better before people. Some of us in one or two ways, you know, there are some things we didn't learn from our parents. There are some things we didn't get from our nuclear family. You know, environment taught us. We came out to the streets, we came out to the schools, churches, you know, we met some other people from different families with different orientations. The ability to pick the good is what matters. Is what makes you human. All I asked for is for better you, better Nora, better Munyem, better my wife. So, well, I am sorry for the times I overshouted or overflowed some issues. But I was really pained. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. Alright, you're my baby. I love you so much, honestly. I love this. Look at Nora, back then in school now. Nora, if I'm talking, you do not talk back at me. You're a sweet tongue tiger. I can't believe this. You actually knelt down for me. My friend, get out your taki-waki sound.
Oh my goodness. This is actually the most beautiful baby I have ever come across in a long while. To think that he has the same forehead and eyes of our husband.
Dangerously handsome like daddy.
I am telling you. My ever-blazing husband. My best husband, an amazing man. I want to use this medium to say a very big sorry to you. My husband, I know I might have said things or done things that would have hurt you in the past. Please forgive me. I beg you.
It's okay.
And I promise you, I pledge on my honor to always take Isioma here as my co-wife. Without any issues in the house.
Wow.
And to my lovely son, I am going to open an account for him with the sum of 20 million naira.
Wow. Whoa. Look at this is a big one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
My husband.
Please. Hey, no. Please, get up. Come on.
Welcome to the family.
Yesterday we found
That's
baby still
now you are a real man.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
She gives me no
This is real man.
Look at
We did it.
What kind of a woman? She gives me no peace. Cause she's a mugging woman. She knocks in the morning, she knocks in the night. I can't take her excesses anymore.